wanted to hear that out. Alright, what's good everyone? How are you all doing? How are you all doing? So, yeah, like I just said, we've got news in about... How's my music turning off? Whoa. The volume's changing itself. It's weird. Yeah, so we've got news in about 28 seconds. What's good, Tommy Zhang? What's good, Eugene? But yeah, we'll see if it does anything. I'm not sure it will. It's just Euro news, so I'm not sure if it will. Thought I'd hop on before. Let me just send the Zoom link out. Cool. But yeah, guys, how's everyone doing? How's everyone's morning? Anyone catch anything so far? I know we moved like, what, 300 pips or something in Asian session? Something crazy. Something absolutely crazy. Let me just move this. What's that chat? Oh, that's way better. Wow. The sun right in my eyes. Okay, cool, perfect. Still in GU. Caught the drop during Asian. Crazy, Saxy. You caught the drop during Asian. That's a big ass drop. What's good, Jordy? How we doing? How we doing? Yeah, I got my coffee today, so that I'm not tired on stream. Been slacking on the sleep recently, so do some ASMR coffee drinking for you guys. What's good, Morgan? How we doing? How's it going? That's my mic over here. Nice. So yeah, chat, let me get down into this breakdown real quick. News did shittle, of course. It was just Euro news, so yeah, I did expect that. What's good, Yusha? How we doing? Did news do something? Yeah, no, not really. Okay, cool. So chat, we have had the biggest candle closure this entire year yesterday. 600 pips. That's the biggest candle closure that we've had so far, right? So what does that mean? Well, it could mean many things. It could mean a massive liquidity grab to come to the upside again and continue, bearing in mind the weekly has no top wick still. Or could it mean we are starting to, it's the beginning of the end, let's say. We're going to start to come down, find a fairer price for gold and all that stuff. What's good, D Slater? What's good, Jan? Yeah, that could be the case, but we're gonna have to wait and see on this. The daily has now continued to push down. It did grab a top wick and start to push down, but we do seem to be hovering a little bit at this level around here. Now, what can we look for in terms of trades? In terms of levels. Obviously, trades are going to come with the breakouts, but in terms of our levels, what can we look for? Well, I was looking at this little onion play right here, if this 1 hour flipped, but I don't know if we're going to flip yet, and I don't know, the way the 30 closed is not ideal for me. So what we're going to do is I'm going to probably say that sells are going to be down here below this this level down here at 22.98. Now, the reason for that is we sort of have rejected here quite heavily just a few hours ago. So I need us to probably close below there now before doing anything. In terms of buys, I do believe that for buys, we're going to have to come down into a smaller time frame. The 30-minute time frame is probably good. Yeah, we'll look for buys above this area here at 23.11 right here. Let me see what the gap is here. Okay, now we'll push this up a little bit. So it's going to be 23.12.7 for buys in terms of gold. Reason for that is I'm okay taking these. Oh wait, we'll push this up a little bit. Apologies, I just saw this little area here. Yeah, so 23.13 flat, pretty much on the dot. Reason for that is that we could quite likely be just grabbing liquidity on the daily to come back up. So if that is the case, we'll continue to take the buys. If not, and an onion or something like that forms, then we'll take the sells to come down, or even the closure below, obviously. But yeah, other than that, chat, that's probably what we're going to be looking for today. Let me see what this gap is real quick. It's a 30 pip gap. Potentially, we can take sells below here on the 30-minute. Let me see. Let me see what the what we're looking like on the left. Yeah, we can do that. So on the 30, we'll look for closures below here. Okay, cool. So chat, sells, gold's going to be pretty simple today, right? 23.12 on 23.01 is our sells and buys. Very, very simple. Keep it textbook, and that's what we'll be taking. Obviously, as always, we need the correct things to form. We need the right right setup, right entry, and right liquidity grab, all of that stuff to form, and then we can get in the trade. But that's going to be gold today, chat. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. The reason why we have our levels where they are hopefully makes sense. Yeah, why is there no range 2? I'm looking to catch the initial push, so I do believe that with gold, once we do start to come and close above here, if there's enough liquidity, just clean traffic. Range 2 would be all the way up here, and that's about, what, how many pips away is that? It's like over 200 pips away now. Yeah. Yeah. But no, good question, Nicola, good question. Cool. Hey fam, hope you're all good. Have a good trading day. I'm done for the session. Just came to leave a like. Yeah, I appreciate you, bro. I like it. It's positive vibes. Hopefully you had a good session. If you're done already for the day, you probably took a win, right? GG's. But yeah, chat, if you did like the analysis, then please drop a like. It is free, of course. And yeah, drop that like. I think we are coming very, very close to 1.6k subs, so that is going to be, well, I mean, a very quick growth from 1.5 to 1.6, so I appreciate that. And yeah, I also dropped the next episode of the free course last night, so if you haven't already gone to watch that, make sure you check it out after stream today. It's completely free. Obviously, this episode covers covers onions and celeries, so it's quite a good episode actually. And then there's a little task for you to do at the end if you don't understand the entries. But yeah, SCXT, what's good? What's good, Malenko? How you doing? How are we doing? I got no trades yesterday. I got absolutely nothing yesterday, so no trade day for me. We stayed disciplined. I didn't get the setup that I wanted to be honest. Price just hasn't really been forming the way that I want it. So yeah, not much I can do about that if I'm honest, but you know, we move. We live and we learn, right? Nice man, nice morning, good shit. Atomic Habit, what's good? How we doing? How we doing? Welcome back to the streams. Let's get bread. Indeed, let's get bread, for sure. Yeah, chat. So look, it's literally clean traffic every time we come up here on gold. So, like, the same thing here, same thing here. I mean, all of these times we were bullish, so that is the main difference, right? The difference we have to keep into account is now we've had a very strong bearish closure. Like I said earlier, that is the biggest candle closure there's been all year, 600 pips. We haven't had a candle that big in 2024. 670 pips, wow. So nearly 700 pips, that's crazy. It didn't really seem like that, but that is a massive dump. Massive sell-off right there. Question is though, is it just a liquidity grab? Because if this weekly starts to flip, wow. Can you imagine, chat? Can you imagine? That shit would be ridiculous. What meme coin is that, chat? Yeah, trust me. It looks like a meme coin, eh? Especially if you look at, yeah. The dailies, yeah, it's just crazy. Gold rug pull, yeah, trust me. Yeah, chat though, I wanted to say, if you did have any questions you want to ask me directly, and you want like a video reply, go onto TikTok and find my TikTok at Trendlines if you use that platform. Comment on one of the posts and I'll do one of the video replies. I've been spamming them out recently, so every time someone's asked me a question, just reply in video form. If you want to know anything about psychology, trading, my life, whatever, then shout me on there, because I'm trying to run that up too. She does OnlyFans privates, yeah, maybe for the right price. For the right price, I got you, Tyler. Whoa. I am my body is in pieces. I need to have a rest day today. I said yesterday I was gonna have a rest day, and then the boys ended up roping me into a big shoulder day. So yeah, I need a rest day today. Wow. But I'm getting a trim later, so that'd be nice. Try and look handsome for you guys again. What's good, Low Life? Good morning. What's good? What's good? So yeah, we need the volume to kick in here a little bit, chat. I mean, to be fair, there is a little bit of volume, but we need it to you know, step up. Yeah, back in the day, this range would have been about 20-30 pips, and now it's 100 and something pips. Crazy. Maureen Van Dyke, what's good? How are you? How long do you trade per day, like on average? 3-4 hours a day. Yeah, I'd say so. We've got what, like 2 hours on stream every day. So for London session, and then to be honest, I just watch the charts throughout the day, and if I see a setup, I'll come back to my desk, or you know, I'll trade it. You know, I'll just be like, I'll check on my phone every now and then, and if I see something, I'll take it. If I don't, I won't. Very simple. What's good, Victory Settings? How you doing? Gang, indeed. Resilient, what's good? I'm doing well, thanks. Do you have repercussion for yourself in the event you break one of your rules? Nah, so not really, to be honest. I don't really break my rules, I can't lie. I used to, obviously. And my repercussions would just be getting annoyed at myself and telling myself not to do it again, and then eventually you get the discipline and you don't do it again. But I mean, like, you've probably seen, I don't know if you saw, but in the Discord, a couple of the guys, Crypto Maniac and Abdul Jabbar, have been, you know, donating to charity every time they break their rules. That's a good one, but obviously, if you can't afford to donate to charity every time you break your rules, then you got to find a different one. But yeah, I don't know if you need to punish yourself. I'd say, you know, yeah, maybe a little something to remind you, and then move on. I'm always about the positive mindset over here. Holy 140 pip gold range. Looks like we're waiting for a bit, ASG. What's good, DK? How are you doing? Yeah, yeah, probably, man. I mean, look, there's literally nothing I can do. Even if I drop to the 5 minute, this would be the range. The range would actually be bigger on the 5 minute. So, yeah, bro. Just gold is ridiculous at the minute. It's moving so fast and so far that there's not much we can do. Not much we can do, if I'm honest, but yeah, is what it is. Yeah, crazy. I think that's what had been messing me up lately. I use fixed lot always, but now the ranges are bigger, which increases my risk with the same lot size. Yeah, that's why I'm not a fan of fixed lots, to be honest, because nothing in your trading has changed apart from the market, but now, you know, it's messing with your head, and it's messing with your losses as well, so I'm not the biggest fan of that. Good morning, Jules, what's good? Good morning, Peter. Put an electric dog collar on, break your rules and get zapped. That's something Tyler would say. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Janus is here. What's good, Hugh? How we doing? How are we doing? Catch anything today, big guy? Weird for you to be up this early now. I've just got a 10 out of 10 waiting with an Indiana Jones whip. Unreal from you, Tyler. That's outrageous. Could you elaborate a bit more on what pips are and how you use them? Yeah, I can. Yeah, mate, I'm always up. Yeah, to be fair, you are. I swear you don't even sleep. Yeah, Maureen. So, first of all, I'm going to say, go and just save this link and go and watch all of this after stream, because it's going to teach you everything you need to know, right? Including what pips are. But But right now, I'll explain it to you. So a pip is just a measurement, a measurement of how we move, how the price has moved in Forex. So for example, obviously in real life you have meters, centimeters, whatever. Just think of it as the same sort of thing, right? So for example, this candle now has moved 25 pips. So it's just a way to measure how big the candle is, how far it moved whilst it was open. This candle down here, use this measurement tool to find it out, but this candle down here moved, what, over 300 pips. And essentially the way we use that eventually is we're going to use it to manage risk. So let's say that we have our stop loss down here below this, below these lows here at 110 pips. Then we're going to change our order size to make sure that we're only risking 1% for a 110 pip stop loss. So we use them to manage risk and as well to like show how far we've taken profit or how big of a trade we won or lost, essentially. So SG, since you're a big streamer now, when's the boxing match with Tyler 1? Bro, it's so weird that you say that. We were chatting about this yesterday. I would love to do a boxing, like a YouTube boxing match. I think I'd smack people up. Tyler 1 though, isn't he that big streamer? But yeah, no, that'd be sick. I'm down. If anyone wants to scrap, I'm here. Thanks a lot. We'll watch the video later after work. Yeah, all good. All good. Isn't Daniel FX organising a UK traders boxing match? Crazy. If he is, I'll get involved. The issue is, right, every single trader that I've met are like 5'6" and fat, or like, you know, not in shape. Every single like big trader that I've met, like I would probably be like, you know, way above their weight class. And weight class is big, right? I suppose it's not as big in boxing, but if we were to do like UFC, then yeah. How tall is you? I'm 6'3". 6'2.5", 6'3", around that area. So I've probably got more reach than them too. But yeah, chat, we've got 12 minutes to this 30-minute closes, to the 1 hour closes, apologies. See how it closes. If we can get closure above the range, that'd be good. If not, then we can get maybe a nice little onion play to the downside. But at the minute, I do believe we are just ranging. Yeah, I do believe we are just ranging. Cool chat, why is my story not uploaded? I meant to post a story about an hour ago and it still didn't post. Tough. Oh, there you are, I posted. Cool. Cool, I'm back with you guys, chat. But yeah, we need some closures here. We need some volume to come into the market and some closures. Hopefully the 9 o'clock open can bring that for us. There's some orange folders at 9 and some red folders at 9:30, but that is purely EU stuff, so I don't really see it affecting the price of gold. Clearly for eurjpy it did. It affected the price of that. Makes sense obviously because it was German PMI, so it's like Euro news, but crazy. Get a nice little flip here maybe. But yeah, chat, I don't trade EU anymore, or I'm not trading it at the moment, let's say. I don't like the way it's forming and everything. How do you take a trade if 15 closes above marked area instead of 30, or if 4 hour closes above marked area? Is this a worry for you for next 4 hour bottom wick if previous no bottom or you avoid? Wait, hang on. How do you take a trade if the 15 closes above the area instead of the 30? Or if the 4-hour closes above marked area? Is this a worry for you? The next 4-hour bottom wick? Or if previous no bottom? Or... yeah, essentially, what you have to do is you have to wait for the higher time frame. So like, let's say that the 15 now comes and closes above this level, but the 30 minutes still back in this zone here. Like, obviously it hasn't closed above, then you probably want to wait for the 30 minute, right? Same with the 1 and the 4. If the 4 hour is showing you one thing and the 30 minute is showing you something different, you probably need to go off what the 4 hour is telling you. In regards to the 4 hour making a bottom wick and all that stuff, you know, like reopening with a bottom wick or whatever it is, yeah, what we do is we just don't take a trade in the last 15 minutes of the 4 hour candle. So let's say, you know, we got a 15 minute closure above, like just before the 4 hour close. We're not going to take it because we're going to wait for that next 4 hour, because the open of the next 4 hours is pretty unpredictable, right? We could come up first and grab a top wick, or we could come down and grab a bottom wick first, but that we can't really like, you know, predict that or whatever. So because of that, we're gonna we stay out of it, wait till it actually prints, and then we go with the direction that it chooses. Make sense? Yeah, hopefully it makes sense. Let's see, chat. We're pushing here a little bit. So hourly closes above, no bottom wick. What's the step? Oh, so if the hourly closes with no bottom wick, like this. Okay, yeah, I feel you. I like to say that once the candle's closed, it doesn't matter, right? But for example, let's say that this 1 hour let's say that our level was down here, right? And this 30 is now just closed above, but the 1 hour's got no bottom wick. Then I wouldn't want to take that because it could just be a liquidity grab on the 30, right? But if now this 1 hour comes and closes above the level with no bottom wick, if it's already closed, then it's closed, right? If we come down and grab liquidity and then flip up, then it's not a problem. But if the 4 hours still had no bottom wick, then that might be an issue. But I like to say that once the candle's closed, it's closed, you know? So for example, the fact that the previous daily has no top wick is not a problem for me, but the fact that the weekly has no top wick is a bit of a problem, you know. But if this weekly now closes like that, then, you know, is what it is. Maybe we need to come up and grab that at some point, but yeah. But the fact that that previous daily had no top wick but it's closed is what it is. Good, Ranko. How we doing, bro? I like it. Yeah, good questions. Good questions, Tyler and Saddam. Gonna be a very interesting rest of the week. Yes, it is. I do believe it is. We're gonna see. It might be a difficult week. I'm not gonna lie. It might be a difficult week in terms of trades. We're gonna see. But yeah, price action's been a little bit strange, I would say. Look at these pushes. Like, just no bottom wick and then just a drive. Just very, very weird price action. That's being proper tipped. Yeah, honestly, price action is very, very strange at the moment. Look, no top wick, no wicks. Everything's just really, really strange. So when that sort of thing happens yesterday, to be completely honest with you guys, I couldn't read the market as well as I wanted to. Like, not that anything changed with my ability to read the market, but it wasn't clear to me, right? So because of that, I stayed out, right? Simple as. I didn't really know what was, like, well, the stuff that was that I was looking for didn't form, and then other than that, I wasn't going to try and predict what was happening, so we stayed out, and that's part of being a good trader, right? Part of being a good trader. All good, brother. How you been? Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm good. Thank you very much for asking. Good, Josh. How's it going? How is it going? DT's here. Good, what's good, what's good? Nice. Drink some coffee. But yeah, guys, big things coming soon, right? Big things coming soon. So I've got some stuff coming out, some videos coming out this week which are going to be good. And then in terms of other stuff, we're making some headway on the clothing brand, making some progress on that. And then yeah, it's gonna be really cool. It's gonna be really cool. Austin Martin, what's good? What's up, SG? I'm watching from India. Love from India. What's good, brother? What's good? Lots of people from India in the chat. So welcome, welcome, welcome. Air Force Ones, you know. Trendlines Air Force Ones. Be crazy. That'd be a crazy collab. Love from South Africa. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I'm not going to try and pronounce your name. I'm not going to lie. I'm just going to say Zulu. Hopefully that's alright for you. But I was just going to say Zulu because I've got absolutely no clue how to pronounce your first name. But I saw your comment on the free course, so I appreciate it. I'm glad you're getting some information out of that. I'm glad you're getting some knowledge, which is good. Yeah. Buys above range 1. Josh, yeah. If it forms right, yeah, because we just have clean traffic. Like, realistically, if I wanted to get range 2 buys, I'm going to be up here. And, like, I don't know. I feel like that would probably be the move done by that point. But, I mean, it's a big range, right? It's a 120 pip range. So, once it breaks out of that, then, yeah. Hopefully, we should be good to drive. What's good, Jay? JF, what's good? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? That SG gold looks good on the 1 hour, but cucky on the 15 to 30 with those minor resistances. Cucky's crazy, yeah. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough. We have to wait for. I mean, there's a resistance here on the 1 hour as well, minor level, but yeah, I'd rather just wait for the closures above the 30. Can't lie. Hopefully, we do close above that, but yeah, we'll see. Good, Baron. Turning up late again. Gonna have to dock your wages for that. I'm playing. Sparkling water and a coffee. Crazy. Moving like Tate over here. By accident. Well, not by accident. It's just what I drink, not because he likes it. I love this stream. Sammy Munir, appreciate it. Appreciate it very, very much. Yeah, that means a lot. I'm at work, but listen every time. YouTube Premium is so blessed. Yeah, trust me. When I used to work at the law firm, I used to have a YouTube Premium on and just listen to different people's streams as well. Yeah, good stuff. No, I appreciate that. It means a lot. It means a lot. Rank it. Trendlines, his name ain't that hard. Bro, it's a difficult name to pronounce for me. I don't know. Yeah, SG, stop paying us to stay on the streams. Yeah. Trendlines exposed. Pays people to sit on the YouTube stream for free. That'd be crazy, you know. I'm from London too. Hopefully I get to your point where I can rely purely on trading. Yeah, you will, bro. You will, 100%. If I can do it, then obviously so can you, right? There are some people in this industry that are very, very not that intelligent, but they can still do it, so just a matter of time, right? As long as you put the work in. Yeah, some people some some people I just think if you can do it, then fuck me, anyone can do it, you know. So yeah, it's genuinely very interesting coming from my background of like, you know, quite higher education and all that stuff, and then going to like law firm where I was like the idiot in every conversation. All these people were talking the most intellectual conversations you've ever spoken, and then you go into an industry like this and everyone's like, you know, not very smart. And it's just like, oh, that anyone can actually do it is pretty easy. Yeah, it's interesting. Just requested my first payout for a whopping 22.50. W, bro. W. A payout's a payout. You've just done what 99.7% of people couldn't do. Pretty sure only 0.3% of people who buy a funded ever get a payout. So you're now in the top 1% of traders, my boy. Congratulations. Yeah, 243 refund. Exactly. Good shit. That's what I'm saying. Secure that refund. That goes into a that goes into your next account, or just keep it. Now you're playing with house money on the rest of the account. So Jules, once you've taken that payout and got that refund, you can trade the funded account with way less emotion. Way less emotion, because now you're trading with free money, essentially. Just here to say hello. Already caught my 10 pips. What's good, Disturbed? What's good? Hourly closed above. Yeah, it did, but not really. Not really, in my opinion. I can't take anything here yet. I need closures above 23.13. About to go on a trip. Crazy. Most people don't get a payout, question mark. Yeah, bro. Prop firm payout. That's 0.28% of traders. Can I copy this? Yeah, 0.28% of traders who take an evaluation earn a profit split. So one trader per 180,000 spent on an evaluations gets a payout. It's crazy. If you zoom in over here, look at that, like that very tiny blue dot in the corner just there. That's people who get a payout. So if you've got a payout on a funded account so far, GG's, congrats. That's what I'm doing, man. I'm building my personal 10k account with appropriate risk. When I feel ready, I'll get funded and go about passing it in the right way. Then I'll pour it into my personal. Exactly, man, exactly. If you've got a personal 10k account though, you're chilling. That's the same as having a 100k funded account. Do you take impulse entries? If yes, when? Not really, no, bro. Not really. I wait for closures. Yeah, not really. Not really. What do you mean the same as a 100k funded? So you have to imagine, right? It's a good question though, Nicola. So with a funded, let's say you have a 100k funded account, right? Your max drawdown on that is 10%, right? Which is 10k. So the maximum capital that you can lose is 10k. So you're essentially just trading with a 10k account, if you think about it that way, because once you lose that 10k, it's gone. And the same with a live 10k account, right? You just up the risk a little bit, and then yeah, you're playing with a 10k account. Makes sense? So like, people think that I've got 100k to play with, but you don't. You've got 10k. Which is why a lot of people go wrong. Just because it says 100k doesn't mean you've got 100k. The good thing is you get more leverage with 100k. I don't necessarily agree, because I mean, yeah, I suppose you do, but if you just up the risk on a personal account, let's say instead of risking 1%, you risk 10%. Same thing, right? Same leverage. You're risking the exact same amount per trade, but obviously now it's just live capital. But yeah, I suppose the bonus of the funded is that you've got no capital at risk, right? That's the bonus. Hey, chat, new here. Renuka, what's good? Welcome to the community. Welcome. Ehan Joker, hello. What's good? Chat, if you're new here, make sure you drop a sub, and if you haven't already, leave a like. Let's try to get to 50 likes right now. That'd be huge. I appreciate that very, very much. We've got a bottom wick here on this next candle. The 4 hour is closing in 54 minutes. Let's see what we can do before that close. And yeah, you hold trade after profits. Wait, hang on, the thing's in the way. Oh yeah. So do you hold trades after profits, not reaching targets to draw down again? No. I'm not one of those traders. We were talking about this in the coaching call yesterday. Let's say we get in a position, chat, I'm not in a trade by the way, but let's say we did get in a position here. If we then came up all the way to, actually I want to do it like this so it doesn't look like I'm in a trade. Let's say that we got in a position, you know, up here. Once we get to a certain point of profit, I'm moving my stop loss to break even. Most of the time it's the next rejection area, so somewhere around like here, or like, you know, whatever it is, either the wick fill or the next rejection area. And then yeah, once that happens, we're risk free essentially. If it does come back to our entry, it's going to tap us out break even. But another thing is, let's say that our target was you know, oh, let me just move this down. Let's say we got in a sell here and our target was down here. I probably would have closed full at this point here, because we're pretty close to the target, right? We're like, well, that's huge, but we're pretty close to the target, so you may as well just close full. I'm not the type of guy who has to let it hit the TP, if you know what I mean. Has to let it hit TP. What can I expect here? And yeah, appreciate it. Nicholas says a lot of free trading education and good vibes. Yeah, I was just about to tell you I like the vibe here. Appreciate that. So yeah, listen, we take trades live, as I'm sure you can see at the bottom of the screen. Trades taken down here. This so far we've taken 6 wins, 1 break even. But as well as that, we have, you know, a lot of education, a lot of value. You can come in and ask any questions you want in the chat. So if you're trying to figure anything out from me, then you can just come and ask it, and I'll cover that. But yeah, if a trade does come, I'll take it with you guys live, or you take it with me technically. And yeah, if you haven't already, and if you're new, make sure you join the free Discord. It's a good community in there. It's growing very fast. And the same thing, if we're off stream, then yeah, you can catch me in there. 6 wins today? Nah, 6 wins all time. Since the start of the year on stream. So if you want to see my stats overall, just do, wait, hang on, just do exclamation mark record, I think is that, and you'll come up to this journal here, and what that'll show you is the signals and stream trades that we've taken. So overall we have, what do we have right now if it loads? Crazy. Yeah, we have a 91.6% win rate lifetime on stream and signals. So 28 wins, 5 break evens, 3 losses, 470 pips. In April, we've got 203 pips secured, 13 wins, 1 loss, 1 break even, 93% win rate. But yeah, the most important thing is the education, obviously. What's good? What's good, Dion? How we doing, brother? How are we doing? What's the big long indicator I see in the top left? Yeah, it's just the market session. So it shows, like, I was explaining something for a one-on-one student, and I think for the course as well, for the free course. So I put this on to explain when the sessions are. But I mean, I quite like it. I'm not gonna lie. It lets you see the pushes quite easily. But yeah, that's that. Obviously, we don't use indicators around here, so yeah. Asian session is popping off. Yeah, nah, it is. Tokyo recently has been absolutely ripping. Look at this, man. Every time it's been Asian. I might have to start trading Asian. Like, jeez, it's ripping. You might see if anyone's in the signals, you might see a signal like tonight at like 2 a.m. or some shit. Indicators. Ooh, brother, what's that? Yeah, yeah. Jeez, man, massive win. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Yeah, big dubs. Big dubs. And yeah, if we get to 2K subscribers by the end of April, I'll be giving away some funded accounts. Quite a lot of funded accounts too. But yeah, we're about to hit 1.6k subs. I think we're about 7 or 8 subs off. That's crazy. Appreciate you all. Pull some all-nighters, yeah. Very true. Very true. Hop on the daffodils. Crazy. Asia meta incoming, yeah. Trust me. Could be the move. Could be the move, chat. For God's sake, I wish you go live till capitalism exists. I don't know what that means, but appreciate it. We might be going to night stream mode. Imagine just start. Or we could do like a 8-hour stream from 2 a.m. in the morning till 10. So like essentially add 6 hours on before the morning stream. Be crazy. I'd be asleep. 9er. Yo, what's good, Bedge? How we doing, brother? Good to see you in here. What's good? What's good? Yeah, cool, chat. So, look, we have 18 minutes to 30 closure. The 1 hour's opened up, and it's looking to flip here. I don't want to take this personally right now because, yeah, I just don't like it. I can't lie. There's not enough volume for me. But let's see what we do here. We've got 48 minutes to the 4-hour close. And yeah. Alright, chat, I'm gonna have to dip off. Leave a like and sub and have luck trading. Yeah, see you in a bit, Aditya. See you in a bit. Discord link. Yeah, someone just sent it in just there. Renuka, someone sent that in. Big dubs. Big dubs. What are we sitting at in the Discord right now? In terms of members. 1.1k? 1,120? These. Did you take any trades? Not today. Not yet. We've still got some potential though. We're still going to be locked in here. But no, not yet. We're still hunting though. We're still hunting. Need some volume to come in here though, chat. We've literally just been sat still. Look at these 5 minutes. Like, not ideal. We're just sat in this range. But it is what it is, chat. It's time to exercise our patience, right? It's only Tuesday. Only Tuesday. So we've got a lot of time to get setups. And yeah. Did you care to explain your strategy? The entire strategy? No, not really. Pradeep, what I would say is go here. Go to the free course on YouTube. Literally, there's 6 episodes out right now. There's more coming. But that's going to teach you my entire strategy from start to finish. So if you do want to learn it, go after stream, go and watch that. All of it. Leave a comment on every video as well. And yeah, then you'll learn. You'll learn. Free course though, completely free. So much value there. It's crazy. Absolutely ridiculous value. Yesterday was wild. Will it be more profitable if I only trade Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in the long run? I don't believe in that type of shit. I don't believe in like setting days where you can and can't trade. What I would say is, journal all your trades, right? Get a trade journal, journal all your trades, and then if you look over the stats of your previous 6 months trades, and you see that you're taking losses on Mondays every time, then maybe don't trade it. But just wait for the data to tell you that. Don't have any like mindset on Mondays and Fridays, because we get a lot of winning trades on Mondays and Fridays. So if we ruled that out, it wouldn't be the best. Wouldn't be the best. Yeah, I agree. Normally Monday and Fridays are quiet for me, but I had 2 nice wins yesterday. Yeah, exactly. It can be quiet, and that's fine. And maybe it can be a day. Maybe if you're busy, like maybe let's say you work a full-time job or whatever. Maybe then on Mondays just have that time to work for your job and get more work done so that you can trade more on Tuesday, or whatever it is, But yeah, if that's what you want to do, then that's what you want to do. I would say, just keep it simple. Always with everything in trading, the thing that I say is keep it simple, right? So you want to be just not overthinking stuff, not thinking about should I trade here, should I trade there, or whatever. Just stick to your strategy, stick to your plan. Obviously, don't keep it simple in a case of just buy and sell randomly, but you know what I mean. Stick to your plan. Don't overthink random stuff, and you'll be fine. Play it up for me, thanks, G. Yeah, anytime. What I'm here for, right? Chat, I'm gonna open this window real quick. It's fucking hot in my room. Like, you're sweating, but I got no t-shirt on underneath this hoodie, so. Can you share your experience with mentors and how you started? Did you learn from different mentors or one? Did you go through different strategies first? Yeah, I used to trade. Chat. I used to trade. You want to see how I used to trade? Look at this. I'll show you something. This is like 3 years ago when I used to trade. This was what my chart looked like. Imagine, chat. Imagine this is what my chart used to look like. Wow. Crazy. Let me get off that quickly before people see that and think it's actually my strategy. Yeah, chat. Crazy there. We all been there, yeah, 100%. Nah, it is what it is, right? But yeah. What I would say is I went through quite a few different strategies. I first started trading crypto. I was trading trend lines, and all the stuff, man. Like, volume profiles, fair value gaps, all that sort of stuff. I did everything. And yeah, it just wasn't the best for me. So I, moved on, started trading futures for a little bit. Tried to trade a little bit differently. To be honest, at that point, I was just like sort of taking random entries. Then moved to Forex and found Don. And then learned from DVS and all that shit. And then, yeah, that's all that happened. Pretty simple, but yeah. As long as you find a strategy that works. For example, the strategy that we trade works well for me. I don't trade how anyone else trades at the minute. And as long as you find something that works with you and stick with it, then you'll be fine, right? You'll be completely fine. But yeah, as long as you just got to stick with it. That's the main thing. The one I was about to flip here, chat. But yeah, red folders in 10 minutes. I don't think it's going to do anything. I can't lie. 10 minutes? Oh yeah, it's 10 minutes. Wow. Yeah, I don't know if that's going to do anything. It's GBP news, and I don't think that's going to have that much of an impact on gold, if I'm honest. But yeah, so there is you know, a lot of potential here. Hopefully, if it does bring some volume in, we get some closures above, we'll start to take some entries. But the 1 hour is just reflipped here, and let's see if it pushes, because if it reflips and doesn't push, then that's normally a sign that we don't want to push up just yet, or we don't want to drive, you know. Normally, if it flips like this, it should push straight away, but I do not believe there's enough volume in the market at the minute for us to do that. You see how we just creeped up? Then, yeah, sometimes there's not enough volume, we just creep up a little bit and then sort of, you know, retrace, grab a top wick or whatever it is, but we'll see how that plays out. But for me, there's, yeah, not enough volume for me to take a trade. What's good, Max? How you doing? But good question, Saddam Sultan. Good question. I like people who come in here and ask questions. It's good. Good. Soon, very soon, we'll be at the point where we don't have enough time. Like, I can't read every single question because chat will be moving so fast, right? So, if you want to get any questions in with me, now's your time to ask, before we actually, you know, fully pop off. I feel another good metric of a good trader is how long he holds positions. Yeah, in what way? In what way? Because if you hold positions in a loss, then, you know, that's not ideal. But if you hold, yeah, if you can hold your wins, then that means you're a good trader, for sure. Well, it doesn't mean you're a good trader, but that's another sign. Yeah, you're right. Let's see, chat. So, news in 9 minutes. Is it going to do anything? What do we think? What do we think, chat? What's your RR? What's good, Dipsy? Good question. My RR is negative. It's somewhere between, I don't really calculate it, to be honest. I don't care about RR very much, but it's somewhere between 0.5, 0.6 and 1-to-1. To be fair, a lot of the trades we've been going for recently are 1-to-1s, but we close early quite a lot of the time, so that's probably what stops us from grabbing those 1-to-1s. That's okay though, I don't mind closing early. No point to care on RR if the win rate is 93%. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so it is negative RR. Well, to be fair, actually, saying that, obviously, it will come, right? But the losses that we have had are all positive RR, if you know what that means. So, like, essentially, we've had 3 losses since February, but one of them was 4 pips, one of them was 36 pips, and the other one was 6 pips. So, you know, overall, those losses just amount to 46 pips, whereas, you know, they could have been 100 pips or whatever. So, yeah, we managed risk quite well on losses. I mean, we closed this trade the other day. This loss right here was a EURUSD sell. This is actually the trade that made me drop EURUSD because the price action wasn't quite right, like forming how I liked it, and it was going against all the rules that I know. But essentially, we cut our losses early at 6 pips, and then it ended up going to our take profit, which is what it is, right? It would have been a winning trade, but I'm okay to cut losses, and I think you guys should be too. I think it's a huge part of being a trader. Someone else is chilling on the sheet right now. All good. But yeah. Not bad. See what I mean, chat? So gold's sort of just hovering around here right now. Doesn't mean it won't flip and drive. It still potentially could, but yeah. We're gonna wait and see here. Wait for the volume to kick in and get some closures outside the range. We need clear direction, right? Yeah. Jules, this was news. This was a news candle. Chat, if you remember what I said in the free course, if you've watched that, but before you get into a trade, you need 3 things, right? You need direction, liquidity, and volume. So once you have direction, that's good. Now you need a liquidity grab, and now you need volume as well. Once you've got those 3 things, you can take the trade, and you should be good. Obviously, you can still lose, but you know what I mean? Those are the things you must have before entering a trade. Must. Cool, chat. What was the best way to learn the DVS strat besides the stream? How would you recommend that I actually learn? I feel like I'm struggling to find information on the strategy. Love the streams, by the way. Yeah, all good. So, what I would say for that is the best way that I learn. Well, firstly, if you're struggling to find information on the strategy, watch the free course. It's pretty much got everything in it. Secondly, the best way that I learned was by doing it, you know? Just sitting on the charts, looking, watching, making mistakes. Nah, a playbook's not going to do anything. None of that stuff matters. You need to just watch, like, learn the strategy first, obviously. The free course will teach you everything you need to know. And then this stream will teach you everything as well. But essentially, watch candles print, watch entries play out, get a small live account, like $100, $200, whatever it is. Trade on that with your entries, risk 1% a trade so that you have some sort of skin in the game, some emotions. And then reflect on your trading. So what I used to do is I had like a big, like a physical notebook with a pen next to my setup at all times. So like down here, I just have a notebook and a pen, and I'd just be writing away. Every time, even whilst I was in a trade, I'll be like, okay, I'm feeling this emotion. I'm feeling scared that I'm going to lose. I'm feeling, you know, when I'm in profit, I'm closing early because I'm greedy. Or not greedy, because I'm fearful, sorry. Or you might be the opposite. You might be saying, I'm holding too long because I'm greedy, or whatever it is. So write down what you're feeling, all that stuff. Write down how the actual trades are going for you. Are your levels accurate, all that stuff. And then, yeah, the only other thing is, obviously, you have an incredible opportunity right now, like, to jump on this stream. I don't want to say incredible opportunity like that, but what I mean is, you have the opportunity to just ask me any question you want. So essentially, you have a free teacher right now. So I answer every question that I get asked on stream, right? And like, if you DM me, I'll answer that as well. I answer every DM I ever get. So yeah. Do that, turn up, ask questions, be curious, take notes on the stream. And if you want further coaching, right, if you want to do it, I'd say, to be honest, the coaching group that I have is the best value for money. So essentially we jump on a call every single day and just talk. You know, people ask me questions about the strategy, or you know, they show me the trades that they took, and I tell them if it's legit or not, if it was a good trade, what happened. And yeah, everyone in there that's you know, that's been in there for a while is starting to do very well, starting to increase their trading like crazy. So I'd say that's a good thing. Obviously, that last step is optional. The first steps are going to get you there. Just the last step might be a little bit of a booster, but it's not necessary. It's definitely not. How many trades do you take per day on average? Good question. 1. Actually, a little bit less than 1 on average. No, I'd say it's 1 on average. Let me see. What did that journal say again? I'm not going to get it up. I think it's about one trade a day on average. Maybe 4 trades a week. So maybe like 0.8 trades a day. But that's the part of our strategy that really separates us from everyone else, right? The discipline side. Yes, Sam, really appreciate it. Yeah, all good. All good. My pleasure. My pleasure. Chat. news in 50 seconds if it's going to do anything. It is red folder, but it's GBP. Pretty sure it's going to push EURUSD, but it will push GJ as well. I think Eugene was in GU cells, weren't you, or something? You might get a little push, can't lie. Where are you seeing this news? Forexfactory.com shows you all of the news, and then you just look at today's date and all the red folders and all that stuff. Gives you a timetable, and then it gives you also like the result when it comes out. So like, you know, this one came out. It gives you loads of shit if you want to learn fundamentals. It's really good. Actually, that's the coolest way to trade Forex. No point scalping 5 trades a day. Yeah, exactly. 1 trade a day is all you need. All you need. Think about it this way, right? Like, if you get 1 trade and you get 1%, or even 0.5%, at the end of the week you're sat at like nearly 4%. 4% in a week is crazy. Obviously, you're going to take some losses in there, but it's more than enough. More than enough. Big volume, wow. Yeah, Jules. Crazy volume. Crazy volume. Yeah, chat, leave a like if you haven't already. Leave a like. It's really does help the streams. It really does help. It's what, 75 people in here. Let's try to get 50 likes. That'd be great. That'd be great. But yeah. Team trend lines to the moon, right? We've got some big things coming. The community is going crazy. We're growing very, very fast. I'm going to start pumping out even more content for you guys, even more free value. And yeah, I want to get you guys on the come up with me. So obviously, as we grow together. You guys are in for the ride, whether you like it or not. And yeah, let's run it up together, right? Let's grow as a community. Feels like we're in one of those cycles where it moves during Asian and ranges during London. Yeah, potentially sexy. Potentially, we just had a cycle where, you know, London was the big move. Maybe it's gonna stop being that, but I mean, look. I mean, we moved yesterday in London, not the day before, not the day before, not the day before, not the day before. Yeah. A little bit tough, but we'll see. Team trend lines, exactly that, my boy. Exactly that. Good shit, Max. Good shit. I like it. I thought bro was getting free with people, yeah. What funder do you recommend? Alpha Capital Group is the funder of my choice. So if you go to that link there, use code SG, you're going to get 20% off. It's definitely the best firm, the most reliable in my opinion, from what I've seen at least. Obviously you got to be careful always, but yeah, that's what I believe. They're the most reliable. Yeah, code SG, 20% off. Appreciate you all very much if you've used that code. Get yourself a cheaper funded account, and yeah, get that payout. Take it slow though, take it slow. I don't want to say get that payout and you think you got a full margin or whatever. Take it slow, trade them like you would a live account and you'll be good. Opinion on FTMO. I've never ever actually had an account with FTMO, so I can't really give you my opinion. I've heard that they're you know, very legit and everything, but I've never spoken to anyone in the team or anything like that, and I've never traded with them. So what I would say is, you know, I've personally spoken to the owners of Alpha Capital many times. Like, we know each other obviously, and I trade with ACG personally, so that's why I can recommend it to you guys. I'm not going to recommend anything that I don't actually, you know, like, there's so many names in the industry right now that fucking will just shill any prop firm or whatever just because they're getting commission or a payment on it. Like, I've seen influencers go from skilled funded traders to funded P to alpha capital to now to funded pips. It's like, bro, what? How are you pushing this if you don't believe in it? People are getting sold, people are getting bought for whatever and selling their followers like bullshit. I hate it so much. Yeah, I don't understand how you can live with yourself when you do that shit. It's like changing football clubs every week. Like, if someone did that, you'd call them a fucking like an idiot. But people do it with prop firms all the time. One day they're shilling, you know, whatever prop firm. The next week they're shilling another. It's just crazy. I've never used any other props, but FTMO has been great for me so far. No complaints. Yeah, all good, man. All good. Listen, you guys, use what prop firm's best for you. Alpha Capital is just, in my opinion, the one that I know the most and I know is legit. I'm always a bit cautious of getting caught in a shady prop, but yeah. What trading instrument you use to separate between session? Yeah, I forgot I had this up just now. My bad. This indicator is just called Market Sessions by Leviathan. It just shows you the little things. But I don't use it. It's not on when I'm trading. But yeah. You should go to indicators there and it should be up there. Yeah, cool. Yeah, what's good, my boy? What's good? How we doing? I live in Prague, so I can rock up to the offices if any issues. Yeah, exactly. That's why I went with ACG, because they're London based, so I can just pull up whenever I want. Which is the indicator? It's called Market Sessions by Leviathan. Literally, the name's up here. Market Sessions by Leviathan. This one. Well, you don't need it, chat. Just remember the times. Remember the times. Cool, chat. So we have 23 minutes to this 1 hour close here. Sorry, to the 4 hour close here. We have just reflipped bearish, which is interesting. So you notice how I said that we didn't have enough volume to flip up and drive. Well, look what just happened. We flipped up, grabbed the top wick, and now we're coming back down. So good job we didn't take that trade. But yeah, it was for a reason, right? We didn't have everything that we needed. Didn't form correctly. I'll use your prop bro with your code. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Does it use MT5? I want to win trade. Jesus, that was a tongue twister for me. Win trade, my personal and funded. Yes, you can do that. So it uses MT5, and I do the same thing. So I have it set up to a copy trader. Cool, guys, coming down here. So if the 4 hour starts to come and close below, I mean, we did close below, but if the 4 hour closes down here, we grab a top wick and flip. We can look to take some sells, definitely. I would like us to close below this level, if I'm honest. That'd be nice, especially on the hourly. That would be rather nice. But yeah, we have to wait and see. We're in a range at the minute, guys. This is called the barcode strategy. The barcode pattern, let's say. Appreciate the info, bro. Yeah, anytime. Nice, nice. You ever considered travel blogging? I have a friend who just started traveling to Thailand for his YouTube channel alongside trading content. Is that wait, what's that guy's name? I see him on I see a guy on Instagram who's in Thailand right now. He's a trader. I don't know his name. He's not that big, but yeah. Sao, yeah, that guy. Yeah, I saw that guy. I saw him on Insta. He seems okay. He seems sound. Yeah, no, eventually I will. Obviously, the difference is I stream every day, right? So I can't stream every day if I'm traveling. But the plan is to move to a different country very soon. He's your guy. Yeah, sound. Hook us up then. Hook us up. We'll do a collab or some shit. We'll do a collab. I see him on my page every now and then. But yeah, crazy. Yeah, if I wasn't streaming, I'd probably be in Bali right now. I can't lie. That's the only reason why I'm not there. Because obviously I can do this wherever I want, right? And that's the thing. But at the minute, everything that I need is sort of here. So unless I get like a full-time apartment somewhere, then it's gonna be a little bit difficult for me. You know, because I need like my PC, I need dual monitor, I need all that shit. Because I can't stream off a laptop. So yeah, but no, it is what it is. And we'll take trips. But this year I'm a bit locked in. I can't lie. I'm a bit too locked in. But chat, I just bought a new camera as well, or hopefully it's been purchased. I asked someone to buy a camera for me. But yeah, so content essentially is going to be leveling up like crazy. Absolutely leveling up. It's going to be absolutely sick. And yeah, excited. What's the Bali pool, mate? Apart from the weather, of course. Yeah, obviously the weather. Location wise, it's decent. Time zone's not too bad. It's cheap. You know, like really. I don't. Taxes is not an issue because I probably wouldn't be there full time. So like, I wouldn't be a tax resident there. But if I wanted to do something like that, I'd move to a different country. You know, I'd probably move to Dubai like later on. But I'm not at that stage of income yet where I can comfortably move to Dubai and be alright. So yeah, cost of living in Bali as well is another thing. So like, the pull is the opportunity to be living basically in paradise for cheap and save up a big bag so that I can then like, you know, either invest that money, trade that money, or start up more businesses essentially. And then obviously the content there would go insane. I'd just be a proper like, you know, content machine. The goal is freedom, bro. That's why we're here. 100%, my brother. 100%. What do you like about Dubai, man? No, I'm not actually the biggest fan of Dubai. I can't lie. But I only said Dubai just then because of the taxes. I'm not the biggest fan of Dubai. I can't lie. I grew up going to places like, you know, Greek islands and all of the, you know, Greece, Italy, you know, all these places, which are just absolute culture like havens, right? Just like history on history on history, and it's all legit and it's all old and everything like that. And then you go to Dubai and none of it's real. Like, not none of it's real, but you know what I mean? Like, they've got fake this, fake that, or whatever it is. It's yeah, not what I'm about. Artificial, exactly. That's what it is. That's the right word. That's the one I was looking for. Yeah, 100%. I like. To be honest with you guys, Greece is like my favorite culture, like the Greek culture, and like I've been to about genuinely 20 different Greek islands or like places in Greece. So like, I don't know, culture there that could be the one. Cyprus pretty decent for taxes. That's funny you say that. I'm literally looking at buying or renting a room in Cyprus to incorporate there. Literally. Greek islands top tier, yeah, 100%. I just got back from well, not got back. Last year, me and my girl went to Well, we did some island hopping. We went from Mykonos. We went from Santorini to Mykonos to Paros, which was gorgeous, right? And then like recently, I just went to Cyprus and Crete recently. Yeah, crazy. I love the culture out there, man. Everyone's so relaxed. No one cares about anything. You know, sit outside at like 11 p.m. and eat dinner super late, whatever it is. You know, talking. Sit and have a coffee in the morning on the beach. Just fire. I went Kos a couple of years ago. I'm same as you. Parents took me to loads of Greek islands. Yeah, exactly, man. We never did like. When I was younger, we never really were big into like Spain or like anything like that. We went to Marbella a few times because one of my friends had a villa there. But yeah, Greece was the one. Only been Zante. Yeah, fair enough. That's very British of you, Eugene. Let me know next time you come to Greece. Yeah, sure. You're not even in Greece, Sergi. No better food than gyros, yeah, trust me. Yeah, Napa is dodge, bro, obviously. What? Like, you're going to the party places. You're only a 2-hour car ride from Greece, crazy. Yeah, well, next time, if I'm in mainland Greece, we'll pull up. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, we still want to be original when we get this success. Yeah, exactly. Good point, Sammy. But yeah, no, I'd like to incorporate in Cyprus. Start a company there, no tax. Fire. I want to show you. I don't know if you guys have seen the villa that I stayed at last time, or that we were at in Cyprus, but bro, I love Greece, man. It's such a beautiful country. Technically, Cyprus isn't Greece, but you know. Whatever. Show us. I'll try to find it. I don't know how I can show you guys though. Corfu's nice. Yeah, it is. I don't know how I can show you guys. I'm gonna have to send it to myself or some shit, right? What are we looking at here? Yeah, we've got 15 minutes chat to this 4-hour close, so we'll continue this conversation about travel and holidays whilst we wait. I need to find these photos that I can show you. I have 26,000 photos in my camera roll, so I have to scroll up past them all. It's crazy. Morning Callisto FX. Yeah, bro, what? Who is that guy? It's not me. But anyway, what's good, William? Welcome to the chat. Even though I'm not that guy. Yeah, I'm trying to find these photos, chat. One sec. It was actually crazy. We'll do it later, it's all good. I'll send it in the Discord. But yeah, what is going on? Yeah, so we're pushing here, which is good. Hopefully we can close down below the level. We have 11 minutes to this closure. Very possible, right? Very, very possible. So we can do that. That'd be great. And then we'll try and catch a trade on the way down. So I'm more than happy to take sells on this way down if we do get them. Because 4-hour closure is going to be a very strong closure, right? We are going to need a top wick first, though. If we don't grab that, it could be a little bit difficult. Could be a little bit difficult. Wait, I'm gonna have to send this to someone, and then yeah, I'm just gonna send you this video. Just ignore it. I'm just gonna show it on stream though. So hopefully that sends. Yeah, but nah, cool. So 10 minutes here. The volume's starting to pick up, which is good. The question is, are we just going to bounce off the bottom of the range or not? That is the question. So hopefully we get some trades here. Yeah, if you haven't already, make sure to drop a like. Obviously, all of this is free. I'm giving you free value, free education, and a free trade entry potentially. So all it's going to cost you is a like. It's pretty simple, very easy. We've got 9 minutes to this closure here. Let's try and lock it in a little bit. Once we lock in, we should be good. Oh yeah, chat. This video is sent, but the quality is terrible. I don't know why. Kind of shafted the quality, but I'll show you guys right now. Yeah, this is where I was, like, in Cyprus. Just crazy. Like, the view was insane, right on top of the hill. Nice little private villa. Yeah, bro, it was crazy. I can't lie. It was a very nice place to chill. Me and my girl just sat out there, chilling. Whoa. But yeah, soon we'll have the whole team trend lines out there. We'll rent a villa, rent a compound somewhere crazy like Thailand or Greece or somewhere, and we'll do a crazy meetup, crazy holiday. We'll all trade together. You know what would be a sick idea? I've had an idea. Brainstorms coming in. What we'll do is, actually, I can't expose that right now. Someone's gonna steal my video idea. I just had a video idea. Someone's gonna steal it. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to keep it unlocked. So apologies. But that's a sick idea. I've written it down. try and sort some shit for you guys. In the future, I've got some massive ideas, right? I want to give back to you guys massively. We'll give away holidays. We'll give away whatever it is when we get to that level, right? But we're not quite there yet. I don't understand why content creators, when they get to, like, 100k or whatever, bro, you can. I've got such big plans, such big plans. It's crazy. Take all the guys on holiday, or give away a holiday to the members, whatever it is. There's so much stuff coming. Give away holidays. That's crazy, bro. Eventually, it'll be nothing. That's the plan. Eventually, it'll be nothing. What do you think about ICT, man? I have no opinions. I've never watched his lessons or anything like that. I don't dislike him. His concepts obviously work because some people take him and win. So yeah, it is what it is. How does Cyprus cost compared to the UK? I'm not sure, to be honest. I didn't really. Food was okay, but rent-wise, I'm not sure. For the ones in the coaching group, once we all get one payout, SG buys us a holiday. Yeah, I'm in. We'll do that. If you're in the coaching group for however long, if you've been there from the start especially, once you all get a payout, we'll go on holiday. We'll go to a villa for a week or something. We'll go to a villa for a week, and we will trade there. Yeah, that should be crazy. So chat, 6 minutes to this 4-hour closure here. We are closing below the level, but We are... Yeah, we seem to be rejecting off this area here at 2302. We need to close below it, otherwise there's not much I can do if I'm truly honest. It's a little bit tough for me right now. Unless we close below, unless this 15 minutes can come down here. Sorry, the next 5 minutes, not 15 minutes. Yo, what crazy? Yeah, nah, I'd be sick. I'd be sick. I told you guys, I've got big plans, massive plans for you guys. But especially giving back to you guys is huge, because you guys, you know, you're the ones who, well, if you weren't here, then I'd just be talking to myself in a room. So, yeah. Let me take a photo of that so I remember. We'll do that for sure. Hopefully sometime this year. What was I reading? Stats for this week. Stats for this week is 0 trades taken, 0 trades won, 0 trades lost. Pretty interesting stats. It's only Tuesday morning, my boy. We didn't get a trade yesterday. So yeah, no trades this week. Technically, chat. We didn't lose a trade. 100% win rate this week. Does that work? Not really, right? Not really. He asked about the pixel letter stats. Yeah, true. That's 100% win rate. 100% win rate overall lifetime on pixel letters. Morning SG, a little bit late. Just hit the gym. How are you, mate? Good stuff. Good stuff. Hopefully you had a good session. Yeah, I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. How are you? Hopefully, yeah, like I said, you had a good session. Get some food in, recover. Chilling. Business, man, business plans. Always, 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 always. Joining a meeting at 10 for 10 minutes. Yeah, all good, Ja. You do you, man. You gotta get the hustle. I mean the one on screen trades taken. Yeah, that's lifetime, to be honest, on stream, because yeah, we didn't get many setups recently, but we only started streaming mid-February, so yeah. No pixel letters till I get back. Yeah, okay, all good. I promise. So with one trade per day, how much do you risk? I'm risking 1 to 2% a trade, so not much risk, right? I'm more than happy to take 0.5% a day and call it a day. I'm in it for the long run, right? I'm in it for the long run. I'm not trying to get 10% in a day and call it a crazy payout. Like, that's not my game. Been watching you, but I was busy. Now I'm locked in. Yeah, good shit. Masharia, good shit. Plus, London's been quiet. If you streamed NY, bad trades. Yeah, that's the point. So, if we streamed NY, like, obviously, all of the trades that I take for signals and all that stuff I would take on stream. So if we streamed NY, our stats overall would be looking like this. If it loads, yeah, we'd be looking at like 28 wins, 5 break-evens, 3 losses, 91.6% win rate. So that'd be a little bit better. There. Even on your live account, having that risk is sensible. Yeah, I recommend that. If you have a smaller live account, then you can trade, you know, 5% risk, 10% risk maybe, but no, not 10 actually. I take that back. 5% risk on a smaller live account if you're trying to, you know, make a little bit of profit. But when you get to a bigger live account, 1% is what you need to stick at. Yeah, 10 is too much. Yeah, no, I know. Depends actually. Depends. If you have a win rate like ours, then it's probably not. If your win rate is something like small and you go for big IRR players, then yeah. 10% per trade. No, I just said that like if you have a really small account that you're trying to flip, but no, don't risk 10% per trade. Okay, chat. We've got 1 minute here. Looks like we're going to be closing in the range. It's a little bit tough, I can't lie. A little bit tough for us. Let's see though, we've got 1 minute. We'll wait until we get a few more closures after the 4 hour. See if we can actually grab a closure below. Then we'll be good. Then we'll be chilling, right? Definitely potential here though, chat. So stay locked in. Leave a like if you haven't already. Let's try and get to 75 likes. Really, really appreciate it. If we get to 75 likes, then I will stay on for a little bit longer for you guys. I'll stay on for a little bit longer. But yeah, as I said, it's completely free, right? You don't have to worry about anything with that, so why not leave a like? Can we close below here? We've got 30 seconds. Good raise. You just wake up, broski, or what? Bro, definitely just woke up. Yeah, of course. I'll say less. Right, chat. So 10 seconds here. The 4 hour is closing technically below the most recent 4 hour level, but it's closed respecting the 1 hour. So we need to see how we open up here. If we get a top wick, what we'll do is, I'm not going to take it off the 4 hour flip, but if we get a top wick, we'll wait for a smaller time frame closure. So we'll wait for something like this to form. Let's say the 4 hour. Okay, we didn't get a top wick. It's fine. We'll still wait. There's still potential. We'll wait for a 4 hour closure, not a 4 hour closure, a lower time frame closure, like a 30-minute or something below here. That will also be the 4 hour flip and drive down, and then yeah, we'll catch our trades then. But it looks like we don't want to make a top wick on the 4 hour yet. How long have you been trading? About 3 years in total. In Forex, just over a year. So yeah, in the markets, like 3 years, but Forex, actually, I'd say yeah, like a year and a half. Started in like January last year. Cool chat, we just hit 1.6k subs. Appreciate you all for that very, very much. Very much. That's another 100 subs since like the weekend, which is crazy. The growth is ridiculous. Big dubs. 2k very soon. We hit it by the end of April. Then I'll give away some funded accounts, but we have to hit 2k by the end of April, otherwise no deal. No bueno. Let's see here though, chat. The other option is we could come down here on the 4 hour, grab some liquidity, and then start to form an onion play to come to the upside. And if that happens, what we'll do is we'll wait for a bullish closure, bottom wick, and a flip, and we'll be in. Come to the top of this range right now. But need to wait and see how that forms, because the 4 hour has now just opened without a top wick at all. I presume it needs one. It's going to just drive down. I'm not going to lie, I did expect yesterday, I expected the daily to tap into these levels here and start to reject. Once we tapped into, you know, this area down here, I thought that we might reject late like we did, you know, in previous weeks. We've been moving at sort of 6, 7, 8 my time. Or UK time, let's say. But we didn't do that yesterday. We ended up just, you know, closing strongly bearish. So, yeah. Nice inverse head and shoulders on the 15-minute. Crazy. I don't trade that, but nice. Nice. It's just a range for me, to be honest. We are literally just sat in a range right now. We need a clear breakout to either side of this range. Pardon me, chat. Big yawn. Big yawn. But yeah, guys. The main thing I would say as a trader right now is you need to learn to block out the noise. Don't give a shit about any other traders. Don't care about, I don't know, these traders that claim to be getting massive payouts or being like gods of trading or whatever it is. Just stick in your own lane. Stick in your own lane. Do what works for you. That's the other thing as well. A lot of people in this industry are like sheep, right? They want to, they want someone to tell them a strategy and they want to just follow it. But what works for me might not work for you, and what works for you might not work for me. So what you need to do is you need to find a strategy. Even if you find the concepts that I trade or whatever, find those concepts and then adapt them to suit you. That's the ideal thing, right? Learn them first and then adapt them to suit you, because That's how you're gonna really become profitable. That's how you're really gonna become profitable. You don't want to just copy someone else, because what if that person stops? What if I stop streaming? You know. But yeah, the point is, do what works for you. Block out the other noise. Don't even worry about social media and all that shit. It doesn't mean anything. If you go off live, will you update the trade in the Discord, man? So if I get in a trade on stream, I'll stay on stream until it plays out, right? So let's say I don't know, I get in a trade, and then, well, we had it the other day, right? We had a while ago, we got in a trade and we were in profit by like 50 pips, 56 pips, and I had to go to the airport. I had someone to pick up from the airport, so I just left the stream running in the background and we hit take profit, and that was it, right? But if I haven't taken a trade on stream and I'm taking a trade in New York, I'll send it into the signals group. So essentially we have the coaching group that I discussed, where we have daily calls. They also get free signals included. So I send my trades in there for New York. But in terms of like the whole regular Discord, not really. I mean, I'll discuss ideas with you guys and all that stuff, but I can't be giving it away. Had to pick the misses up. Yeah, indeed I did. Alright, I got stuff to do. We'll catch you later. Yeah, see you in a bit, Jules. See you in a bit, my man. Thanks for coming through. True, I know twins that have different strats. Crazy. That's interesting. Twins that have different strats is mad. I like it. That's cool. Cool. The chat, we're sort of just coming into this range right here, right now, grabbing a bit of liquidity. I know twins that hopped on Trend. Crazy. Trend twins. Indeed. Those guys are funny as hell. I like those guys, I'm not gonna lie. But they are absolute idiots. Just ridiculously stupid guys, but funny though. Funny. Not the Island Boys, those guys. Yeah, I don't even know about them, but crazy. Entry soon, question mark. Unknown. There will be an entry when there's an entry. There will be an entry when there's an entry. And that is not yet, because we are sort of coming into this resistant level. We're starting to pick up the volume though, so if we do close above here, oh sorry, below, apologies, then we'll look to get a trade if everything performs correctly. Only issue for me at the moment is that the 4 hour has no top wick, which might be an issue, but we'll see. We'll see. We need some closures here, so we're going to need closure below the level on the 30 minute here. Now, if we come and tap into this level down here, which I think we've pretty much done, yeah, I probably need a closure below here, but we'll see how we close. We'll see how we close. We have a gold move down. We have a gold move down soon, bud. Okay, well, if you know that, then take the trade, my boy. Reynaldo, what's good? What's up, man? How are you doing? How are you doing? Welcome. Yeah, everyone that's new here, welcome. Appreciate you all for pulling through. All the OGs as well. Appreciate you, obviously. And yeah, make sure you drop a like if you haven't already. Try to get 100 likes on this stream. It's definitely possible. 120 of you in here right now. 100 likes is definitely doable. So drop a like if you haven't already. Free value here and free education. So yeah, don't miss out on that. shut this window real quick. Yeah, we're back. We're back. Definitely some potential here though, chat. The volume has picked up, so this is not a time to go and grab a coffee or do whatever you want to do. Time to lock in, see if we can get some closures, and yeah, take some trades. Oh, we just got back. Thought to go get breakfast on my Soren. Oh, crazy. Yeah, good shit. How was breakfast? That's those electric bikes, right? They've been terrorizing population. Chat, so we're at 2,300 right now in price. I just realized that. So we've come down, what, 1,000 pips from yesterday? Unbelievable, chat. That is crazy. That is absolutely ridiculous. How are Alpha Capital spreads? So yeah, that's a good question. I actually have a review on my YouTube of Alpha Capital completely, like a comprehensive review. You go and check them out. You will, you know, that's a good little video. But essentially, the spreads are decent. They're not as good. They're not like raw spreads, but because you have no commission, I think it's very, very worth it. I think it's very, very worth it. So yeah, no commission on the trades. And the spreads are good. They're not like the best, but they're good. Banging thanks. Had a full English with extra bacon and egg. Oh, crazy, bro. That sounds banging. I'm not gonna lie. That sounds really fucking good. 1,000 pips, you know, in pretty much a day. This could be the mega liquidity grab, or it could be the beginning of the end, chat. Which one do you think? I'll do a little poll here, actually. That's a good point. Let me do a poll. What is this sell-off? Big liquidity grab, or time to retrace more? Start the poll. Let me know what you think, chat. What is this sell-off in price here? Are we going to continue to push down and fill this clean range down here, or is this just a big liquidity grab on the weekly for us to continue upwards? What do we think? What do we think? Temporary cool off? Yeah, it's possible. Temporary cool off is very possible. The issue is, this is the it's over. Crazy. More retracement until news potentially. So yeah, the thing is, right, this is this was the biggest candle that there's been this year. In 2024 there hasn't been a 670 pip candle, so it's a very, very strong bearish closure. If it was a liquidity grab, I feel like we might have wicked up already, but still potential, right? So obviously the weekly with no top wick is a bit of an issue. Question is though, we're not very far from the monthly flip. 650 pips. 650 pips off the monthly flip. If that monthly flips, geez, chat, what is going to happen? Gold bullish on the yearly time frame? Yeah, of course it is. Gold's bullish overall on the macro, but obviously overall gold will always be bullish in my opinion. Question is right now, are we having a retracement or what? Especially with more wars coming up. Yeah, true. The wars is a big thing. I think it's too big to be a liquidity grab now, but anything is possible with gold. Yeah, always anything is possible, right? Anything is possible. Good point. Okay, chat, now we need I'm gonna need a closure below this area here now. I'm gonna need us to close below 2298.8, since this was the advantage point for us to have. So before we came and filled this range, I was expecting for us to close down and at least tap into this level, but now that we've already done that, we need to close below it, because if we just tap into it and start to reject and close above, that's how you start losing trades, and that's a liquidity grab potentially. So we need to close below this little area here. Once we do that, we'll get in some sells. The crash would be nice for some big wins. Yeah, I mean, you can win both ways, right? You can win both ways. Good, thanks, mate. Took an L last night, but it's alright. I'll recover. I was on a 26 win streak as well. Crazy. GG's, bro. Yeah, don't worry about the streaks. It is what it is, man. Think about this. You essentially just took 25 wins. You know, cancel out the loss, and you're fine. I hope the monthly to flip. It gives me way more ranges to trade with. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, chat. I've been liking the no ranges up here. It's been very easy to trade for me. Been very easy to trade for me because, well, it's just been pretty easy, right? But like, wait for a closure above and buy. Very, very simple. You know, with the 2-minute average trade, does your account terminate if your trades are quicker? That's a good point. Firstly, no, it doesn't. Secondly, it's 1 minute now. But the average trade thing, you're not gonna have a average trade time below 2 minutes, and if you do, then that's crazy. But especially if you trade the way we do, it's just not gonna happen, because if you have one trade that takes 20 minutes. You could have 20 other trades that were like 30 seconds and your average would still be above a minute. So, yeah, I wouldn't worry about that at all. I've never heard anyone of having that issue. Let's see though, chat. We've got 15 minutes now to this closure. Oh, the 15 closed below. That's interesting. That is interesting. Chat, I don't want to take a 15-minute trade at the moment right now. And the reason for that is, I'll tell you exactly why. I'm not taking a trade off a 15-minute close below. And the reason is, the 4-hour has just opened. This is the first 15-minute of the 4-hour. So at the minute, the 15-minute candle closure is not what's driving price. What's driving price is the 4-hour. So we're going to wait for the 30-minute, at least. See if we get a good closure. If it drives right now on the 15, I don't want anyone saying anything. Alright, it is what it is. It looks nice. It's a beautiful little closure, top wick first and everything, but it's not for me, chat. It's not for me. It's very, very tempting there. It's very tempting, but we don't do that over here. We're disciplined traders at team trend lines. If you're not disciplined, you get kicked out of team trend lines. Nah, I'm playing. Everyone starts somewhere, right? The discipline is also the skill. People don't understand that. I think people, you know, say that, oh, I'm not disciplined. But like, I wasn't disciplined at the start either, right? Discipline is a skill that you learn rather than something that you just have. Get rid of the lines. Team trend. Yeah, we can do that. Whatever you guys want. 15 flipped here, chat. No FOMO. If this drives, it drives. Who cares? Let's look at the next ranges. Where are we looking at in terms of take profits and all that stuff right now? I believe in a thing called love. No, I believe we should at least come down to this area now. That's the next range that we need to fill. We need to tap into. That can be our initial advantage point here. There's an imbalance. Crazy, Eugene. Crazy. Wow, 15 is pushing. Nice. Okay. Let's see. How many pips would that have been? Volume coming in here, chat. That's the next. Whoa. Crazy. That was literally 30 pips in about a second. 35 pips in literally a second. That's crazy. That is crazy. All good, chat. That's not our trade, right? No FOMO at all. Absolutely no FOMO. It wasn't our trade to take. So who cares, right? It does not matter. Okay, our next level is going to be down here. We're about to fill this range though. Wow. Wow. The volume's kicked in here. The issue is now 4-hour no bottom wick. But we did re-break the 4-hour lows, so interesting. Can we retrace a little bit here and then get a top wick on the next candle? Maybe. Crazy, chat. That is unreal. Stops are already massive as well. That's a little bit too tough. Yeah, no FOMO there, of course. It's just I'm trying to analyze right here. But chat, definitely a lot of potential here. So stay locked in. Try and catch them in for sure. Such a calm vibe, man. You're a G for that. I appreciate it very, very much. Appreciate it. The vibe is massive, right? It's a very important part of trading. I don't want to come here and just be all dead serious or whatever. I'm gonna talk to you guys and all that stuff. Lost 4% of my funded today. Was in profit and thought I moved my stop loss to entry, but I entered it wrong. Ah, that's tough. That's tough. You don't want to be risking 4% in the first place there, realistically. Wow, chat, wow. But SG, why didn't you take that trade? You should have taken the trade. You'd be up 60 pips right now. You should have taken the trade. Nah. Not for me, not for me. Not for me. What is the problem with no top wick? Yeah, whoa, chat, this is crazy. The volume is mad. The problem with no top wick is at any given point, this can just flip, right? This could be a 4-hour liquidity grab for us to continue upwards, right? Technically, we closed above this level, this minor level here. At any given point, we could just flip up on this 4-hour right now. This could be a 15-minute fake out. We've just filled the range anyway. And then this could be a fake out for us to get by. So that's the reason why I didn't take it on the 15. Why didn't you buy at 0? Yeah, trust me. I should have. When I was 2 years old, instead of playing with toys and all that stuff and learning how to walk, I should have been buying gold. Don't know why I didn't do it. Bitcoin as well. Should have been doing that at 2 years old. I'd be rich. I invested in gold's IPO. Crazy. IPO, you know. That's funny. I like it, I like it, I like it. This is where FOMO traders get stuck. Yeah, trust me, this is exactly right, Jar. This is exactly right. FOMO traders now are going to be like, oh, but if I enter, it's still going to come down. That's when you get caught in that retracement. That's when you end up, you know, selling here. Now you're in already 30 pips of drawdown. Chat, this volume is outrageous. I can't lie. Another thing that could happen here, chat, though, which wouldn't be a bad play actually, which I'd quite like, is if now this 15 comes up and decides to flip like this, closes either back into this range or this range, what we can then do is we can take the buys as the fake out to continue upwards. So the 30-minute fake out to continue to fill this range up like that. Very possible, right? We seem to be rejecting a little bit. That was a heavy amount of volume. But yeah. Yeah, Nicola, I don't know about that, bro. SG being proper upskirting fake outs. Crazy. Broski's just accused me of upskirting. But yeah, nah, fake outs are good. I like a good fake out. Can't lie. Yeah. Crazy. The 1 hour flip would be nuts. That'd be insane. 4 hour flip to drive us up is possible. Yeah. Whoa. How did I accidentally just hit you, Tyler? How do I undo that? Okay, there you go. Crazy. Fakeouts reverse to a great other side trade. Yeah, exactly. We'll wait for that, but realistically, we need closures right now. We have filled the range, which is tough. That was our advantage point. So we filled the range and started to reject off of it, and I don't like to take trades when we do that because most of the time we don't come back down, but we'll see how we form here. We'll see how we form. That 15 was interesting. How big was the top wick on the 15 minute? It was 10 pips. Filling an imbalance. Yeah, maybe. I don't trade imbalance, so fair enough. I'm already out of my cells. GG. Chat's just not clear right now. We have volume, but the direction's not as clear. I mean, technically, obviously it is, but we filled this range, right? So either we need to pull back or we need to close below. But now stops are going to be quite big. That's the issue. That is the issue. I wasn't risking 4%. I essentially wanted the trade to run risk-free, but swapped number around when... Ah, okay, bro. Okay, I understand. Yeah. That's tough, man. That's tough. That's tough. Just, you know, that's a lesson learned, right? I always say you can learn every lesson one time. And if you make the same mistake a second time, then that's not good. But every mistake or everything you do one time is okay. Apart from a crime. Apart from a crime. Yeah. Bro took 5 working days to reply. Yeah. Crimes can be done. Some crimes. What do you think about 5%ers? I've never used it. So I can't really tell you anything about it. I know they've been around for ages though. I think. I'm pretty sure, right? They've been around since like FTMO times. Don't get caught. Catch me if you can. Yeah, 100%. Look at this. We're rejecting quite heavily now for this level. 5 minute. Okay, never mind. We did reject quite heavily off this level at the bottom here, though. Been around since 206. Mad. So that prop firm's been around since what, like 1800 years ago? A long time for a prop firm to stay operational. Since the year 206. The Romans were out there doing, like, you know, quick scalps. Julius Caesar in that whilst he was in the battlefield, he'd just check MT5 real quick, place a scalp, and then he'd be back into the real world fighting. I don't know. He was a good trader, apparently. He was a good trader. Alright, yeah, I'm joking. Been around since 2016. Yeah, fire. That is a long time. Tight spread and regulated. Nice. Yeah, that's good. That's always important. SG, BMW, Audi, or Mercedes? Good question, my boy. What's good, Tempest? Depends what car we're talking about. I reckon we go... I don't know. Yeah, it might have to be Mercedes just for like the GT series or whatever. Or BMW like M4. I don't like Audi too much. I think that... I don't want to say that actually. I was about to shit on a car, but... Yeah. Raps Forex, what's good? I think the market's still bearish. Yeah, I think so. Alexander the Great had the longest swing of all time. Yeah, he was a killer swing trader. Swinging these nuts in your face. That's ridiculous. That is outrageous. What's good, Noodle Holtz? How we doing? Bro, you don't like Audi? Come on. Some Audis are okay. All the Germans in here hurt as fuck. No, to be fair, actually, Audi RS6. Oh, that's a screamer car. I'd probably have an RS6. I'm not gonna lie. Book an Uber, yeah. Even better. You bad mouthing about Audi? Nah, I wasn't bad mouthing. I wasn't. I promise. All the Deutsches are gonna come get me, huh? AMG on top. Yeah, Hugh's got a fake AMG. He bought the stock Mercedes and then put AMG badges all on it. Can't believe it, but yeah, he did that. At 1 minute to this 30-minute closure here. Let's see. Let's see what happens. If we come up and grab a big top wick and then flip, then maybe we can take it to fill the range, but we'll have to see. I've seen this trade happen before and it never fills the range again, so... German Twitter just cancelled you. Why? I like BMW and to be fair, I like all of them ones. Expensive fake AMG. Yeah, chat, I'm joking. He doesn't have a fake AMG. He's actually got an AMG. The prick. Even paid the AMG price, I felt that bad. Tyler, I'm not happy with that. Let's see, chat, though. 1 minute to this closure. If you haven't already liked the stream, let's try and get to 100 likes. Massively appreciate it. That'd be great. We could hit that. Whoa. Definitely possible, right? So let's try and get to 100 likes. We're slacking on the likes a little bit. I'm joking. I never say that shit. I never say that shit. You're not slacking. I'm joking. It's a free stream, right? I'm just playing. Let's see if we get a top weight. Yeah, Tyler, that's outrageous. Let's get him raised. Get that gone. Get that out of here, bro. That's ridiculous from you, Tyler. I'm gonna delete it myself if the mods won't do it. The sister one, that's crazy. Hit 100 likes and SG will give an AMG. Yeah, free AMG giveaway, right? Free AMG giveaway at 100 likes. Okay, chat, the 30-minute closed here. Bottom wick first. Not ideal. Not ideal. Let's get to 100 likes and we can give away this AMG here. We'll give away one of these AMGs. That's actually fire, you know. That's a sick car. Okay, chat, we're coming up here. Let's see. I don't think we made that much of a bottom wick. Issue is now, we need to come up quite far because we need to be sure that it's not just a liquidity grab on the 30-minute for the hourly to flip. That's the issue, because look at this closure, right? This could just be a mega liquidity grab, which I'm a bit worried about, I can't lie. Stops are quite big, I can't lie. Let me calculate some shit. Use the current candle as stops. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. I don't like using the current candle as stops, I can't lie. But chat, yeah, I'm going to put a sell stop on the break of this 30-minute candle low right here. I'm going to have that sell stop right now. If this candle flips, then we'll get in. It's on the break of the low, so what is that? That's at 2295.1. So we're gonna have that. Stops are gonna be above the essentially the 4-hour flip. If we do flip, then I'm pretty sure we should come up here. If we start to make some smaller time frame closures in the back into this range, then we'll delete. And if we start to break highs and all that stuff, take profit is gonna be down at the bottom of this range. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But that's the trade I'm in at the minute. Or not, I'm not in, sorry, I'm not activated at all. If we break this high again, I might actually have to delete chat, I can't lie. We'll see what happens here. Not activated yet though. Yeah, chat, we just rebroke the highs here. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to delete this sell stop straight away. Reason for that is we're now just forming higher highs and, you know, on the smaller time frame. When we rebreak that high, that's the formation of a higher high. Plus also the 4-hour closed somewhat respecting. So realistically, if we do flip here, yeah, we could be in a little bit of trouble. So because of that, we'll stay disciplined for the moment. And yeah, it's quite a big rejection. I've seen this play happen before, where it just does come up like this. I think someone took a big loss doing that. So yeah, apologies for that. Well, not apologies, but you know what I mean. It was a little bit quick to place the sell stop and then delete it, but I'd rather delete it now after we broke those highs. If we flipped straight away, then I believe we could have had a good drive, but at the moment, yeah, breaking those highs, I'm not too happy with. But chat, it's potential here. So what play I'd rather get now actually is I'd rather be looking for the buys to continue upwards. If we can get some buys, if we can start closing into these ranges up here, grab some buys, then that's definitely going to be a good play for us with the fake out and the flip happening. It'd be a 30-minute fake out as well as a 4-hour flip, which would be huge. That's a big confluence, right? A big confluence for us to continue up and fill the rest of this range. Make sense, chat? Hopefully that makes sense. There's still potential here, chat, so stay locked in. We're going to see what happens here. There's a lot of volume. This 30-minute might flip for all we know and drive, but it's not a trade from my playbook, right? So I don't really want to be taking it. Discipline, yeah, 100%. I'm going to go fill my water up really quickly. I'll be back in 1 second. Wait, let me do this real quick. Yeah, we're back. What's good? Let me get my camera back on real quick. Cool. We're back. W stream, appreciate it, Jay. Appreciate that. Yeah, chat. Leave a like if you did enjoy, or if you not did enjoy. We're still here. We're still pulling up. Don't worry. We're not going anywhere. But yeah, there's definitely potential here, right? Look at this 1 hour. We closed respecting the level and the 4-hour too. We can come up and grab that. Then we'll look for get those buys essentially on the way up. Whoa, what's happening here? Cool. Definitely some potential as long as the volume stays high. Now this 30-minute could flip, and if it does flip and drive, do not have FOMO here. It is what it is, right? It is what it is. There's nothing wrong, chat, with seeing movement. For example, this candle just drove 60 pips, right, from the 15-minute. There's nothing wrong with seeing that and not taking the entry because well, it's not your play, right? Let's say that it went the wrong way. If you took that entry, it could very easily have just gone the opposite way. Let's say that we took that 15-minute flip. It could have easily just been a fake out and we'd be in like 60 pips of drawdown now instead. So, you know, it's very easy to have that confirmation bias of saying, oh, but if I would have taken it, it would have gone. But then when it goes the other way, you'll be saying, oh, thank God I didn't take it because, you know. You interested in NAS? Yeah. I look at NAS every now and then. I've been trading it on futures a little bit. Looks nice for a little flip up there on the 15-minute. I look at US30 as well. I'm still doing these futures challenges. They're not connected right now, but we passed one of them and I've got 2 more futures challenges going. So try and lock those in. Also, I'm in talks with another futures firm potentially. So we'll see. Got 2 trades, both won, done for the day. On 5-minute got a sell and then a quick buy with a smaller position. I don't like the 4-hour without top wick. Yeah, good shit. Alex, good stuff. So yeah, that's part of your plan. Then call it a day, right? You took 2 wins. Action lines 4-hour wick fill on gold. You mean 4-hour wick fill to the upside, like this? It's not really a wick fill, I don't think, because I think a wick fill is when... Yeah, I mean, technically, I suppose it is a wick fill. There's potential, right? If we come up and close above, then we'll look for that for sure. We'll look for those positions. We need this 30-minute right now to close respecting this level up here. If it can do that, that'll also be the 1 hour respecting the overall range, and then that could hopefully lead to the 4-hour flip. But we have to wait to the closure to see what happens. Definitely a lot of potential here though, chat. We rejected quite heavily off this area, which doesn't mean that we're gonna not come back down. We could, but yeah, the 4-hour no top wick is a bit of an issue. That makes sense to you guys? If you have any questions about the analysis or anything you want to know, feel free to drop it in the chat. I answer every question, obviously. Absolutely killing it today, though, guys. If you are new, make sure you're subscribed. A lot of free value coming soon. Free course as well on the YouTube. If you haven't watched that, go check it out. And yeah, make sure you're in the Discord as well. The Discord is a crazy community right now. Free community, obviously. Make sure you're in there. We do free value shit, free calls every Sundays, all that sort of stuff. So definitely hop in there. It's more like a range fill. A wick fill is the direction of the trend, and a continuation. Yeah. So for it to be a wick fill, I think it would need to be a bullish closure on this previous 4-hour and then the wick fill. But yeah, it's a range fill technically, because essentially the 4-hour and the 1 hour are still in a part of this wider range up here. Its overall range is like this essentially. And then on the 4-hour, same sort of thing, right? Discord is the best. I appreciate it. Full of mussels, beans, boats, and some other stuff. W community. Appreciate it, Tyler. And noodle holes. Appreciate it. Will you sell or buy? We'll see. Depends what's going to form. Can you explain how you found the 2291.03 support? Yeah, sure. So it's on the 30-minute. It's just a minor. Well, it's not actually a minor level. It's the range here. So we have a range between, technically, I mean, this line is sort of a minor support here, but the overall range is between 2302 and 2291, right? We've rejected off the here multiple times. So yeah, that's how I found that level. But that was essentially the reason why I put that was the target. So let's say that if we closed in here on the 30 and it formed correctly, the target would have been to come down here, but we've already tapped into that target, right? So if you go back, I don't know, however many minutes, 10 minutes, whatever it was, you'll hear me say we need to fill this next range now, but we already filled the range on this 30-minute here. So when you fill the range already, that was the point that we needed to tap before coming up. That was the point that we needed to tap before coming up. So realistically, we don't need to come back down, and that's why I deleted the sell stops. And trend, yeah. Just got in with your Discord, mate. Good shit. Welcome. Welcome. Did the signal send? Yeah, it did. Good. But yeah, chat, we're using the automated bot for the signal now. So when you get the signals, obviously I didn't have to type anything, but I was on stream and it sent the sell stop in with a picture, and then obviously we deleted it. But yeah, that shit's elite. I love that. It's so easy for me now. And it looks cool as well. I like how it automatically sends you in that screenshot. That's the range. I was in a trade, missed half of the profits, was making eggs and bacon, need the gains. Yeah, all good. That's not a problem. See, chat, look at this rejection here. Look at this rejection. If we start to come and close above here, we can definitely look at taking some in. Volume's kicking in. Wow. 15-minute might start to close above here. But we're going to have to wait for the 30 and the 1 hour close, which is going to be in 15 minutes. If this starts to flip, maybe even we could take it off the 4 hour flip. We have to wait and see there. Got a dip, W value, W stream. See you all tomorrow. Yeah, see you in a bit, Spion. See you in a bit. Yeah, nice chat. Still potential here. So we need, well, we got a 15-minute closure in 1 minute. Stay locked in for that. And yeah, 30-minute fake out and 4-hour flip. Exactly. That'd be a 30-minute fake out if we do close. Ideally above 2302, but 22.98 is also a decent level for that as well. I think we've done this in the past, haven't we? Let's see. Yeah, we faked out in the past here. I thought so. How did I remember that, chat? What a goat. No, I'm joking. Definitely not. But yeah, very possible that we do the same thing here. We obviously need to close above 22.98 on the 30. And then once we do that, the next step will be getting a bottom wick and a flip. But let's see. Definitely a lot of potential here. Can we see a flip here, chat? Yeah, maybe. Starting to get hungry, chat. I'm not gonna lie. I might have to make some breakfast after stream. Don't know what I'm gonna eat though. I'm gonna eat. The 15 closed, I mean, at the level, right? 15-minute doesn't matter as much right now. We're waiting for this 1-hour close. So once we get this 1-hour close in 15 minutes, that's gonna give us a bit more of a sense of direction. Pocket omelette is crazy. Yeah, gonna give us a bit more of a sense of direction. So let's see what happens. 15 minutes starting to come down here, form a bottom wick. And yeah, clean whole foods be. Yeah, always, Tyler. What do you mean? Always. My diet's crazy. I have such a clean diet. Apart from pre-workout, sometimes I eat a squares bar. Actually, every time. But yeah, chat, let's see. There's volume here, which is great. Absolutely great. But listen, I'm trying to teach you guys exactly what I do, right? So I'm not going to take an impulse trade or a trade that doesn't fit my plan when the very next second I turn around to you guys and say, guys, you don't take a trade that's in your plan, or don't take trades if it's not a perfect setup. You know, you got to do what you say, right? And I always tell you guys to be disciplined, take the right setups, 1 trade a day, all that stuff. So, and if I didn't do that myself, then who would I be? You know? 30-minute looks like it's flipping, right? But the issue is, again, the 15 no top wick. So price action is very weird at the moment, very strange. The 1-hour close is going to be the main thing at the moment. The double chalk, always. Double chocolate squares are the best. They're so good, man. Bro, spam dubs for the squares. That's crazy. Most of these people... Wait, do you guys in Europe or like outside of the UK have squares bars? Oh, it might be Rice Krispie treats for you guys. That's what the American name is now. No more squares, man. Oh yeah, Eugene, are you carnivore right now? Or are you just doing no carbs? Not had a square since primary. Are you talking about the crisps or the snack? Got 15 minutes flipping here, right? 15 minutes flipping. Let's see. Not in Germany. Crazy. That's sad. I bet you have something similar, but... Oh, bro. What's that? That's ridiculous. Squares bars pre-workout are just so good. It's essentially a Rice Krispie treat, but I eat like 2 or 3 of these before a workout. So good. So ridiculously good. Elite. Imagine not knowing, yeah, crazy. 364 for 1. That was an 8-pack. That was an 8-pack. Looks damn good though. Yeah, nah, it is good. It's basically like a Rice Krispie treat with chocolate and that, and then you eat it before a workout and you get a ridiculous pump. Shitload of carbs. Home bargains 8 for 260. I just clicked on a picture of it. I'm not actually going to Ocado and buying it. Like, Okay, chat, volume here is picking up again. Very interesting. There's not much direction right now. The direction is not the cleanest, so we need to wait for some closures. What I could also take as well is we could take a 30-minute celery. I'd be okay with taking that probably. It's quite a strong confirmation. So what a 30-minute celery is, guys, if you don't know, we'll wait for this candle to close. If it closes like this, then absolutely perfect, alright? Well, what we'll do is we'll wait for the next candle to come up, make a top wick, flip down, we'll take the entry on the break of this low right here, and we'll look something like this, and then we'll get the sells. Would say you shop at Ocado, accent suits it. Nah, I'm a Waitrose boy, Tyler. I'm a Waitrose boy. That was my first job ever. My first job ever as a like teenager, as like a 16-year-old, was Waitrose. Stocking the shelves and shit like that. Chirping old grandmas on the checkout, on the tills. I was putting some ridiculous charm on these old rich women. Like you wouldn't believe. Trying to claim a will, exactly that. I'm trying to get put in someone's will. Yeah. Celery is a break and retest to confirm that a new support or resistance, right? Yeah, essentially, yeah. But it looks like this 30 minutes going to flip here, chat. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. We would have had a sell stop on the break of this low, but I didn't like the way it's forming. And this 15 is not ideal for me, so yeah, we'll see. I'm a home bargain boy. Fair enough. So the 30 flipped here. Could very possibly drive here, chat. No FOMO, no FOMO. Nothing I can do here though, chat. Realistically, absolutely nothing I can do. We're just, we filled the range already. So I don't want to take this. I wouldn't take this if I wasn't streaming, so I'm not going to take it since I am, if you know what I mean. That's essentially how it works. Your strategy kind of looks like that of time to eat trading. Yeah, we had a similar we had the same mentor, right? We had the same mentor. But yeah, I trade more like TTE now, I think, than Don. Just because I think the strategies have switched a little bit. But yeah, I think it is similar. I can't lie. I don't really know. I've never really watched Time to Eat, but I'm pretty sure he just trades like range 1, range 2, celery type shit. Does he have a different name for the plays though? That's what I'm trying to figure out. See here, this could drive, chat. Bean play, crazy. Market is so sloppy today. Yeah, the price action is really not nice, chat. It's really not nice. Yeah, you'll come to learn on this stream if you're new that, you know, we only take the trades that are perfect. And when we do get a trade, obviously there's a reason why we have a 100% win rate on stream. Right? It's because I'm not taking trades that I don't want to take. For example, yeah, this could be a good trade and this could run and we could have got however many pips, right? But this wasn't what I wanted to take, so what it is. I think it's time. Nah, not yet. Not yet, Nicola. Not yet. Oh, crazy. The volume's coming in. Interesting, chat. Interesting. I'd like to wait till this 30 close because then we can use the 30-minute for stops potentially, which would be good. The stop loss would be way smaller. So there's still potential, chat. I'm still looking for trades, definitely. It's not like I'm you know, not looking anymore. Drop a like. We're still hunting. Go on, Sean. I love that. Tyler, I just saw your comment on my thing. Absolutely love the Eddie Hall. The Eddie Hall? No, who's it? Eddie Hearn. That's who it is. Chat, come on, 88 likes. Let's try to get to 100, please, if we can. That'd be huge. Much, much, much appreciated. Celery, onion, pack runner, etc. It's the same, but he trades in New York. Okay, yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. No trade is better than a losing trade. Yeah, 100%. Sometimes no trade is the best option. What's a pack runner? I got no clue what that is. Temporary support here, 22.95. Yeah, essentially. Essentially, just look at this price action though. It's so weird. No top wicks, none of this stuff. So we're gonna wait for a closure here. 1 hour's gonna close. The 1 hour gives us a decent top wick and a flip. Potentially we can take that, but I preferred the fake out when that was playing out. TTE term for Summit. Time to eat is a trader. So the poll finished. I'm just gonna finish it right now. Oh yeah, my bad. Sorry. Yeah, no, I knew that. I was trying to figure out what actually it was. Okay, 96 votes. People think it's time that we retrace more. So people think we're gonna continue downwards. That's interesting. Chat, one day on stream, what we should do is I'll come in on the morning, and you lot tell me a direction, and we have to get a trade in that direction. That's a sick idea. A cool idea. I might do that. I don't know why we're hovering at the minute, chat. Something just seems a bit weird. Is there a level here? I mean, technically. Around here? Yeah. Minor level. Minor level for sure. Yeah, this 1 hour closes, chat. 3 minutes. Stay locked in here. Yeah, poll trade. Exactly that. That's what I'm saying. So like, we'll do a poll in the morning first thing. Should I take buys or sells or whatever, and we'll try and win doing that. But I'd have to do it on like a smaller account or whatever. I'm not doing that on my live account or in the signals either, because that's not fair. That's not fair. Cool, chat. 3 minutes here. So we're starting to reflip on the 30. Interesting. See how it's just like, this is why I was a bit cautious to get into this trade, chat, because you see how we just like are sort of hovering here at the minute. We definitely would have got hit break even just there, by the way. We would have gone break even 100%. So I mean, listen, it is what it is, right? We're gonna wait and see if something proper forms. If it doesn't form, then we won't take it, chat. But there's definitely still potential for something nice to form here. Peace out, Eugene. Crazy. Let me do my camera up a little bit more. Oh wait, I'll just move this. Get some more light in the room. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. What's everyone training today? Anyone hitting the gym today? What are you training? I think I'm gonna have to take a rest day, I can't lie. But I'm still gonna pull up to the gym. My barber's is there, so maybe some cardio, I don't know. Had shoulders and arms this morning. Oh yeah, crazy. Shoulders and arms is a good session. I like it. I like it. Good shit though. Probably benching. Jan, you can't bench without me. Can't do that. Take a day off, mate. I'm playing. You're all good. He's gonna say, well, just come train then. We hit chest yesterday. Or hit push yesterday. Hit you Tuesday. Yeah. Fuming. Absolutely fuming. You think your gym bro's loyal and then he goes and benches without you. Unreal, chat. Unreal. See what I'm dealing with in this industry. I'm playing. Pushing back up here, chat. 4 is crazy. That shit. Calm that shit down. That's crazy. Big bench, big trades, big foods. Oh, it does sound good. Otherwise known as big everything, right? I'm back in it, G. No, I know you are, G. I know you are. Appreciate it. 30-minute celery, yeah, I was looking for it, but it's just not ideal. There's no direction right now, chat. I can't lie. I know you are, bro. I know. It's just I didn't want to get caught on the word thing. On like I don't know. Can you get done for shit like that? Like, I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. 8 seconds here, chat, to the 1 hour close. So we're gonna close below the range, obviously. Below the range. Now it's just burned me. What did you take? Sells, maybe. Or buys, sorry. Let's see. So the 1 hour just closed on gold here. Realistically, all we can wait for now is we can either wait for a top wick to be formed in the flip. We can try and take that. Or we can wait for a closure back above this level. I'll stay on for a little bit longer. I've got some time today, right? I'm probably not going to be training. I've got a haircut at 12:30 though, so I have to go about 12. But yeah, chat, what do you think about these later streams, alright? Do you think we start running them a little bit later? Like this? Like, normally obviously we're already off stream by now, but I think it's probably quite good if we run them a little bit later. Yeah, the longer the better. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Wow, exactly 30 minutes before I'm benching. Crazy. Crazy. Yeah, later is good, bro. Cool, yeah. Well, today, the only difference is I had a coffee, so I was kind of ready for it, but yeah. 140 people in the stream right now. Appreciate it very, very much. Appreciate it very much. If you can all drop a like, that'd be great. Let's try to get to 100 likes. This will go down another 500 pips to the end of the day. What's good, Denny? Denny Doom. Maybe. Might do. If you think that, then get in sales, right? We'll see, right? We'll see. What would stops be here? It's going to be like over 100. Oh no, 80. 84 pips, 83 pips. A little bit tough, can't lie. Potentially we could use the 30 stops for the flip here. Just direction is not as clear at the minute, and yeah, I don't know. Potentially this 1 hour should flip and drive, but the reason why it's stopping me at the moment is because we just sat here. We grabbed liquidity on the previous 30, a lot of liquidity, and then flipped, and it didn't go anywhere, right? It didn't go anywhere, so yeah, it's tough. Stay until New York session. Yeah, I can't today, but in other days I will, 100%. I'll do that in other days for sure. Tomorrow maybe. I think news will spike us up, then drop like an egg sandwich. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. It's potential. See the chart in the 15 minute. It's the big black candle script. Is the big black candlestick crazy? A liquidity sweep. Read my message. I did read your message, but there's no... What black candlesticks? I'll say big black candlestick and make me read that out. That's outrageous. That's outrageous. Yeah, nah, listen, it's tough. It's tough. We're forming a resistance around this level now here. At 22.95. Right? It's a pretty clear resistance just here. I think, yeah, it's an overall resistance as well, so A little bit tough, chat. A little bit tough. I want to wait for the fake out though. I really do think that that might come, you know. Oh, sorry, support. Yeah, did I say resistance? My bad. Sometimes I just mix the words up. Apologies. Level, either way, it's a level. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, what was I saying? 9:45 news USD. What time is that UK time? Forex Factory. What time are we looking at? Oh yeah, it's like 2:45. Yeah, I'm not gonna be on stream for then still. Unfortunately. Yeah, 2:45. I can't take that. I've got to go at 12, chat. So I'll stay until 12. If we get some trades, then we'll be good. We'll definitely take them. But if not, then we'll call it for another day. But yeah, nothing quite formed exactly the way we wanted it to yet. Yeah, see you in a bit, Adam, in the Zoom. See you in a bit, man. Peace out. Someone said something. What did he say? What level are you looking to tap into before getting the 1 hour flip? It would be the 1 hour, but I think we've made a sort of support here. So it would have been tapping into this level right here, but realistically, I think we start to come up here. I'm not gonna lie. You notice how we've rejected quite heavily and then hovered. Like, we've had an opportunity to flip and haven't done it. And now we're coming back up again. Obviously, this 1 hour could flip easily. But I do believe we've sort of formed a level right here on the 15 and all that stuff. Guys in a buy. Good shit. Hopefully it plays out for you, my boy. I'm going to wait for a closure above this level. So if we get a 30-minute closure above 22.98, we'll be in there like swimwear, chat. We'll be in there. But we're going to have to wait for that first. 30-minute closure above 22.98, then a little bottom wick, and then that'll be our buys. Because then that could lead to the 4 hour flip, could lead to then even, maybe not the daily flip, but you know, we've got clean traffic up here. Everything comes out, teenage petulance. What is that? I saw you say that earlier, I don't know what that means. Fuck it if I can't have him. Or what? You said that earlier. What does that mean? What does that mean? Oh, I'm down bad. Why are you down bad, bro? What's up? Yeah, I'm not keen. Just think we made a support and I'm wanting the 4 hour top wick. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Volume's kicking in though, chat. I'm not gonna lie. A lot of volume here. So potential. Definitely potential. Chat, if you are new here, and you don't know what we're about, join the Discord, subscribe to the channel, free volume every single day, and yeah, free volume, free knowledge every day, free education every day, and yeah, 8:30 AM UK time every day. Elaine, yes, that's the strategy I trade, but my own strategy right now. I've adapted it to my own sort of, you know, my own skill set, my own preferences. So yeah. One hour's pushing though, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Absolutely pushing here. See if we can get a closure above. Guys, BE now. Good stuff. I like it. I like it. But all we know, chat, this could be the flip here. This could like come back down and flip still. Convert old playbook, but smaller stops essentially. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. With some other plays added in. But we'll start to take them on stream soon. Show balance, no balls. Crazy. Crazy. Why would I show my balance? Yeah, that's not gonna happen, chat. You make me laugh, Sam, every day. Every time you correct yourself, lol. What did I correct? But yeah, nah. I'm glad that makes you laugh, my boy. I'm glad. That's all that matters, right? So you can get some laughter out of the stream, then I'm more than happy. Obviously, and some knowledge and some trades, but we do it all over here, right? We do it all. Taking 20 pips, good stuff, Jar. GG's. GG's. Don't like it. Don't like it. 20 pips is good. 20 pips is enough. You don't like it probably because of the 1 hour and the fact that you're going quite against the trend, you know. I'm stuck in a drawdown loop. Have to do something about it. Yeah, when you say something incorrect. Yeah, no, I know. What's your drawdown loop, my boy? Athav, what's good? Welcome back, by the way. But what's your drawdown loop? Tell me. Just stop being in a drawdown loop. Yeah, pretty simple. When you get in loops in trading, right? When you end up getting in loops and like, you know, it's because your emotions are taking over. It's because you're stuck in a like, you know, cycle, stuck in a habit of just doing the same stuff, letting your emotions run over. What you need to do is take a step away, maybe take a day or two off the charts, reevaluate, reframe your mindset too. You want to be thinking positively. Don't worry about all the shit that's in the past. Forget everything. Come back to the charts and start again. If you're always thinking about like the fact that you've lost before and all that stuff, then yeah. I'm down 4.5% again. Like I'm just always getting trapped in a fake out somehow. But yeah, emotions might be the reason. Keep getting trapped in a fake out, then wait for range 2 breakouts, or only take trades in the direction of the daily bias, and then that'll avoid your fake outs. Also, if you're down 4.5% again, that should mean that you've lost like 4 trades. If you lost 1 fake out and that's you're down 4.5%, then that's not good, bro. Lower your risk, and yeah, then you're fine, right? If I got caught in a fake out right now, chat, if we took this trade, if we took these sells here and it turned out to be a fake out, I'd lose 1%, and then I'd be like, okay, and I'd move on. That's it, literally it. That's literally it. Nothing else happens. My risk is always 0.5%. Okay, yeah, fair enough. That's good then. That's good. So it can't just be the fake out that you're getting caught in. How many trades are you taking per day? And like what? You know, if you take a loss, just take a day off. Maybe there is something wrong with your analysis. You know, it's not always just psychology. Maybe there is something wrong with how you're marking up the charts. So if you want, bro, just DM me and we'll go through it together. We'll go through it, because if you're doing something wrong over and over again, then that's the definition of insanity, right? Definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. I don't think it actually is what that means, but Einstein said that, didn't he? Pretty sure. Pretty sure he said that. I'm no Einstein though. Yeah. Cool, chat. So 96 likes. We're 4 likes away from 100 likes. Can we hit that? Can 4 new people come and just smash that like button? He didn't say it. Maybe I am wrong then, Jar. Everyone just thinks he did. Crazy. Yeah, that might be the case. That happens with a lot of things, to be fair. So this 15 minute is coming to close above. Brilliant. I literally say that the moment I say it, it comes back below the range. Wow. Now we'll see. We've got a minute here. Potentially, it's going to close above. Be a good sign for us. Hopefully, if we do close above here, we can you know, get a 30-minute closure above here, bottom wick, and then fill the range. Sorry, bro, just being a geek with my QI knowledge. No, I love that shit. I like that. QI is also a great program. But yeah, I'm a big general knowledge kind of guy. I'm sick in a pub quiz. If anyone does a pub quiz, I'm your guy. I get everything. The chase too. I'd definitely win the chase if I went on it. Absolutely no doubt. No doubt in my mind I'm winning the chase. But I'd never go on it. I'm not a loser. I'm joking, I'm joking. Good morning, guys. Been a while. What's good, Abdullah? How you doing? Yeah, psychology is my problem. I might take a break and refine my strategy and the things that I did wrong and come back stronger. Yeah, definitely. That's not a bad thing. Even if you do it over the weekend, right? Take some time off, reevaluate your strategy, check what you're doing wrong, right? Because you might be doing something wrong. But be honest with yourself. So don't, it's very easy to say, oh no, I did this because of that or whatever. Be honest with yourselves. If you made a mistake, then tell yourself you made the mistake. Like almost tell yourself off for it, You gotta be honest with yourself. You gotta be very harsh with yourself and very open as a trader. You can't be soft on yourself and let yourself get away with stuff. It doesn't work. It just doesn't work. So yeah, be honest. FX replay, yeah, Jan's right. Get on FX replay, Athav. That's the strategy. Here's one, world's largest epic. What's an epic? Maybe I'm stupid. That's actually one I don't know. So chat, did the 15 close above? It did. It did. Oh, poem. Yeah, I don't know anything about poetry, I'm not gonna lie. I'd have to skip that one on the chase. I know the Highwayman. I don't know, some other shit I did in GCSE English. But yeah. The 15 closed above here, which is nice. Can we get a 30 closure above in 14 minutes? Hopefully we can. If we can do, then we'll try and get a trade. Up 8 AM, geeking hard. I'm a real vamp. Crazy, bro. You're saying some weird stuff today, my boy. Like mythology literature. Oh, yeah. I love a bit of Greek mythology. I love a bit of that. I don't know. What's the answer? What's the answer, Renuka? Guy XYZ. You're just spitting lyrics, nah? What song is it? A song you're listening to or some shit? Mahabharat. Yeah, I never heard of that in my life, G. I would never have got that one. But I don't think they'd ask that on the British Chase. I can't lie. Can't lie. Do you guys know what that program is? You probably don't, right? Only some of the Brits would know. But the Chase is essentially like a game show in the UK. It's actually a banger program. Buy now? Question mark. Yeah, if you want, Saeed. If you want, then buy now. Sure. Why not? I'm not gonna, but you can. Eggheads was the GOAT quiz show. That is a banger quiz show. You're old school, Jar. Old school. Like Golden Balls as well. That was a banger show back in the day. It's a weird ass show. I can't believe that existed. I got a few years on you, bro. I'm up to date with my old school stuff too. I don't know. I think I'm quite mature for my age. Yeah. I used to watch that too, though. I used to watch loads of those old shows. Split or Steel, classic. Bro, how do you know that? Yeah, Split or Steel's a banger there. I'm 33, big man. Yeah, that's all good. You got 10 years on me, but still, I reckon. I don't know. I reckon I've got some knowledge there. Wait, how old are you, SG? I'm 23. 23. Turned 23 last month. We're getting old. So this 15 flipped and drove, which is nice. Can we close in this range without filling it? That'd be very good. We can take that. We can take those positions for sure. The 30 closes up here with a little top wick, and then we get a bottom wick. I'll definitely be happy to take a trade there. So stay locked in a little bit. We've got 10 minutes here. If it doesn't form on this 30, then I'm gonna have to call it. We'll play some pixel letters and run. But yeah, just because I need to get to my trim. Need to look fresh for you guys on the stream tomorrow morning. My hair's growing out like crazy. Got a dusty trim right now, as my boys would tell me. Absolutely dusty trim. Pushing here, chat. The volume's picked up, so the 4 hour is coming to the flip here. I don't want to leave right now, I'm not gonna lie. I might have to push the trim back, see if I can do that. Yeah, chat, leave a like if you haven't already. We've got 10 minutes disclosure here. Definitely some potential if we do close above 22.98 here. So if we can grab a little pullback, that'd be really nice. Flip down and flip up. Yeah, that'd be sick. The chase is for intelligent people. Yes, sir. University challenge is where it's really at there. If you wanna really be a nerd. Like you, Sam. I appreciate it, bro. Very, very sweet. Cool, chat, cool. Potentiale. If we can close here like this. Right, grab a bottom wick. And then flip. What we can do here is we can have our break-even point either on this wick fill here if it's big enough. Like that, and then the flip. We can have our wick fill either on our break-even point either on this wick fill or the top of this range. And then if we do come up just a little bit above the top of the range, this area here is the 4 hour flip. Once we do get that 4 hour flip, it should be good to continue driving upwards, I do believe. At least to make a top wick for the 4 hour, it should do that, right? If you flip, you expect it to make a top wick. Nine minutes though, chat. 9 minutes. A lot can happen in that time. A lot can happen. Let's see though, on the macro, on the daily time frame. We did close below, but we have come down and tapped into the daily support level. That's a key level, right? At 22.91. That's a very key level. But this was the level that we discussed earlier that we needed to tap into. And yeah, now that we've tapped into that, can we continue to push up and reflip on the 4 hour? Potentially, right? Very, very potentially. So that's what we'll look for right now. Nah, not eggheads, I meant golden balls. Yeah, I said golden balls, bro. That's a banger show, split or steal. You know the guy who hosts Golden Balls? Like that guy with his name's Jasper Carrot or some shit. He's like my great uncle's best mate. Crazy, right? Crazy. Met the guy. Big bull, man. Yeah, Brummy guy. Yeah, because my great uncle's in like a very famous band, and yeah, they're mates from that. So yeah, I did, Tyler. Yeah, every time I saw him. This guy. Unknown. Are you taking the flip? What flip? 4 hour flip or the 1 hour flip? What are we talking about? Sells or buys? I'm not taking the 1 hour flip. I think this is the point where we start to come up here. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait, like I just explained, 7 minutes. And bro, how did you guess that? Bro, how did you guess that? Steve, that's crazy. Yeah, ELO and Black Sabbath. That's a nuts guess. I don't know how you just guessed that out of the blue. That's a really random band. That's nuts. No guess. In tune with the universe. Yeah, crazy. Top band. Nah, I appreciate it. Well, I can't appreciate it. It's not me, but you know what I mean? Yeah, they are cool. Chat, let's see. 6 minutes disclosure here. Let's see if we can grab this trade. Yeah, Whoa. Same frequency shit. 6 minutes to this closure here. Very important how we close here. If we close like this would be great. Top wick. Then we've got a decent amount of room to the top of the range. 20 pips. That's okay. Probably go break even around there. And then we'll target the 4-hour flip. Stops shouldn't be too bad either. I think we could probably put stops. Yeah, this is alright. This is alright, chat. This is alright. So lock in. Tell your friends. Tell your parents. Tell anyone you want to tell. Trend lines. Or Team Trend is locking it in. Nah, but yeah, the 4-hour flip's right here. So, can we target that? Potentially. Love from India. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. What's good, Aniket? I used to play cricket with a guy called Aniket. So, you know. Maybe it's the same guy. Okay, chat, cool. 4 minutes, 50 seconds here. Stay locked in. If you've got any questions about the trade, then ask me right now. I'm free. Hi from Chile. Crazy. Nice, bro. What's good, Christopher? Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Chile's crazy. That's a crazy country to be watching from. I like it. I like it. I want to go to South America sometime soon as well. Entry on the flip or the break of the highs. Depends on the bottom wick. If we get a bottom wick, I'll probably take the flip. From Nigeria. Yeah, sick one here. Sick one. You're the furthest thing away from being Nigerian that I've ever seen. I've ever seen. Wood Harbour Visuals, what's good? Hi, how are you? Yeah, I'm chilling. I'm chilling. How are you doing? How are you doing? Bottom half black, buddy. That's crazy. That's crazy. From South Africa. Nice. We've got a lot of people from South Africa in here. A lot of people. Trendlines is global, huh? As a community. Crazy. I like it. Congrats, bro. Stream is growing. Yeah, I appreciate it, mate. I appreciate it. Big stuff coming, guys. Big stuff coming. This is only the start for the community. If you are new, you came at a great time. We're leveling up as a community. Join the Discord. There's over 1.1 thousand people in there right now. Free value every day on stream and in the Discord. Come level up with us, learn to trade, all that good shit. Yeah, long stream today, chat. Long stream. We've been on for like, what, 3.5 hours? Following you for the first time. I love the stream. I'm from Rwanda. Nice, nice. Welcome, Chris. Welcome. Rwanda's cool too. So many countries that like I wouldn't expect people to be from. I like it. Does anyone in South Africa not trade? Yeah. You all trade the ZAR, huh? You all trade in the ZAR. I swear. Love the energy in the chat. Yeah, me too. The energy in the chat is always positive. We never have negative vibes in this chat, which I like. And if they do, then the rest of chat cancels it out. So it's a great feeling, right? It's a very positive way to start the day. And yeah, Netherlands, crazy. I was literally just there, Dan. I was literally just there. Like 2 weeks ago. And one of my boys lives in Leiden, and I'm gonna go see him soon. So cool. Maybe we can link up. No way. Did you like it? I've been loads of times, my boy. I've been loads of times, but because my girl lives very close to the Netherlands, right? Lives in Dusseldorf in Germany, which is like, you know, 2-hour drive away, 1-hour drive away. So we went there. But yeah, I love the Netherlands. It's a good full of friendly people, especially like Leiden, Rotterdam, Amsterdam. You just see people like out on the street drinking coffee, chilling. Everyone takes their time and that type of shit. I don't know, I like it. It's good vibe. Has it got unlimited crackheads though? No, it's not quite Blackpool, my boy. It's not quite the UK in terms of the amount of crackheads. UK's undefeated in that. Actually, no, I think America beats us. I think America beats us on crackhead levels, on Fent users. Yeah, good vibes in the cities. Yeah, 100%. People just whipping around on bikes and shit. It's crazy. So many tourists in Amsterdam. Yeah, true. Nah, true. Amsterdam's, I don't know. Central Amsterdam is a bit crazy. It's just full of English people, I can't lie. But like Rotterdam and Leiden are really nice. 1 minute to the close, chat. Yeah, lock it in. 50 seconds here. 50 seconds, so lock it in. I'm seeing sell. What do you think? We're looking for buys here on this closure. If we can continue to, if we can come down and make a bottom wick and flip up, I'm going to take some buys to continue up to the top of the range. The wick fill is 10 pips. We'll probably put break even on the wick fill. I can't lie. I can't lie. But yeah, chat. Lock it in here. 20 seconds to the close. If we get a bottom wick, I'll be taking a buy on the flip, potentially. Potentially. Can we come down first? Let's see. Stops are going to be what? Stops are going to be how big? 60 pips? I think. Yeah, not too bad. So what are we doing here? Can we come down a little bit further than that? That'd be nice. We can come down and tap 2298.821. I'll stick a little. Okay, chat, cool. I'm gonna have a buy stop on the flip of this candle here. On the flip of this 30-minute candle right here, I'm gonna place a buy stop. Remember, chat, if you do enter this trade with me and you take it with me, if we take a loss, it's your responsibility, not mine. Okay, I'm not responsible for any losses you take. Manage risk appropriately. And yeah, you know, risk 1%, whatever. If we take the win, then you get the glory. And if we take the loss, then you have to take that with me, unfortunately. Cool, chat. Only take it as well if you understand the trade. If you don't understand the trade, then I don't want you to take it. Because that makes no sense, right? It makes no sense in that case. You in or waiting for the 1 hour flip? Apologies, yes. No, I'm not in, so I'm waiting for the flip. I have a buy stop right here. I'm gonna say not activated here. Let me add this. Buy stop. Not activated. Lol, sales bro, not entering. The fuck you mean? Crazy. Okay, take your sales then, G. All good. It's up to you. Volume's coming in here, chat. Let's see if we can flip up here and grab some nice positions. I'm not activated just yet, somehow. I've got no clue how I'm not activated. I'm literally, I was about half a pip away, but I took on the break of the high, so not activated just yet. Got activated, tough. It should be good. Hopefully we still flip. I didn't get activated yet though, chat, I'm not gonna lie. My level was 2299.7, so I'm not in here. I always advise that you put a little bit of, you know, room up above, like somewhere like this. Just because, you know, it is what it is. Spread can get you, right? You don't want to get done for spread. Yeah, make sure you account for spread like Ray said. But let's see, we should flip here, and if we do flip, then we should continue to drive at least to fill the wick, I do believe. Break even point is going to be up here on the wick fill. Like this. Stops to be, there you go. Okay, chat, I got activated here. Can we push up there? Stops are going to be down below here at, let me just add this in, 2293.6. If we take a loss, chat, we take a loss. It is what it is, right? It is what it is. Targeting this 4 hour flip at 2303. See, can the volume kick back in here? Let's see. You always account for spreads for buyers, guys. Sells you don't need to. Yeah, exactly. 100%. Exactly. Let's see. Can we re-break these highs? Push up a little bit. The volume should be kicking in, hopefully. Can we fill this wick here? So we saw about 7 pips, I think, just there. Break these highs one more time, and we should be good to go break even. Let's see. Let's see how this goes. Remember though, chat. If you took the trade, it's your responsibility, right? If you took the trade, it's your responsibility, not mine. If we do lose the trade, I'm gonna be okay. I've managed risk appropriately, right? If we lose the trade, it is what it is. Yeah, it should be good here. Let's see if we can come up and fill this wick. Okay, chat, cool. I'm going to put stops to break even here, actually. We're about 8 pips up. We've nearly filled the wick, but I'm a little bit worried that we... Oh, there you go. Chat, closing half of the position here at 11 pips. Making this a risk-free trade. GG's, big W's. Well done, congratulate yourselves. Closing just half here. I'm going to target this 4-hour flip with the rest of the position, but stops are at break even, and we have closed half there at roughly 12 pips. Let's see if the volume can kick in here and we can push up. Let's see, let's see. Big W's though, guys. Big W's. Spam some dubs in the chat there, guys. What we set up now? Yeah, 15 pips roughly now. Let's see, let's see. Okay, cool. I'm actually going to close full on the position here at 17 pips right now. We can take that. That's a W for the day. That's a W. Close full right there. If you want to let it run, feel free to let it run, right? It's pushing here. Could potentially run, but I'm more than happy to take the W and leave that for the day. We took around, actually ended up taking around 19 pips, I think. Big GG's. Congratulate yourselves if you did take that trade. Look at that. We were patient, right? We were completely patient. We didn't take anything that we didn't want to take. We waited until the very end of the stream, so we had about 4 or 5 opportunities on today's stream to take a trade, but it didn't form exactly how we wanted it. So what did we end up doing? We ended up waiting, stayed patient, and took the W that we needed to take. So GG's, winners win, exactly that. That 100% win rate on stream continues, chat. It continues. We are now, what, 7-0 on stream, technically 8-0 if you can't break evens, but 7-0. Let me add this trades taken real quick just here. Gold buys 19 pips, I think. I'll check afterwards in the signals what it actually was. Chat, this could run here though, so if you want to hold it, feel free to hold, right? But I just, you know, I wasn't particularly. Wow, I'm happy to take that. Essentially, we take what we can and run, right? The undefeated champ. Appreciate you, boys. Appreciate you guys. Well done, GG's. Give yourselves a pat on the back. That was your trade today. That was completely your trade. You took the win. You take the glory. You are new, chat. Make sure you subscribe. There's 130 of you in chat right now. I want to see at least 100 likes, if not more, for that W today. Absolutely brilliant trade. Appreciate you guys for sticking with me and the patience that we exercised there. Hopefully you can learn something from that. Let me just record an Instagram video real quick. If you guys can, wait one sec. If you guys can spam some dubs real quick. Yo, chat, I'm back. Had to record a little Instagram thing. Appreciate you guys. This is running, you know. This is running. But nah, GG's. We take that, right? We take that. Love from Glasgow, crazy. Welcome, Krishna. Welcome. Use code SG. Yeah, chat. I took that on my ACG funded account, right? If you want to get a funded account and you want 20% off, use code SG. It's going to get you 20% off Alpha Capital Group trades. The 4-hour flip, so that's the idea that we were looking for, that 4-hour flip, the exact idea. So maybe we could let that run, but you know what, we take it. So yeah, crazy, chat. That is nuts. GG's, chat, GG's. No FOMO now if you're out of the trade. If you left some runners, then congratulate yourself, right? Congratulate yourself if you left those runners. But if you didn't, then we're out of it. We take the profit and we go. Pretty simple. Cool. What did we do there? Yeah, nice. We take that. We take that. GG's chat. G fucking G's. So, if you are suffering with FOMO, maybe stop looking at the chat. Sorry, not the chat, the trades and the chart and everything. But yeah, big wins, guys. Big wins. Oh, any questions about the trade? Feel free to let me know. As always, make sure you journal the trade and make sure you understood why we took the trade too. That's the most important thing. My bad, chat. I was just editing that Instagram clip real quick. I'll post it in a bit though. But yeah, cool. Play the Drake clip. Yeah. I got you. I got you. Nah, I explained. You need me to explain the trade, Baron? Is that what you're saying? I can explain that for sure. Where is this Drake clip here? Oh yeah, here.
So Drake went live yesterday.
No, bro, I don't want to watch this. I want to watch someone doing an analysis of the Drake clip. We'll get this up.
To the rest of you, the non-believers, the underachievers, the tweet and deleters. You guys make me sick to my stomach.
You guys make me sick to my stomach, fam.
Look at my eyes. You guys want to do something?
GG's, chat. GG's. Good trade today. Be proud of yourself. All that good stuff. Let me play this music again. Yeah, okay, I'll explain the trade. So essentially the trade that we just took, the reason for it was the daily had come down. Hang on. Just realized what I need to do here, chat. Look at the pip and dippers as well. Pip and dippers is crazy. Why did you take that trade? Good question. So we just took this win here because the daily had come in and tapped the daily level here. So this is the level that we were expecting the daily to come and tap before making a reversal, if it was going to make that reversal. Now, we waited for the daily to tap that level. Once it did, we come to the 1 hour and the 30 minute. We wait for a closure above the next range. So we waited for a strong bullish closure above the range, which we got. Then we ended up grabbing the bottom wick first, buy stop on the flip, and a continuation upwards to then target that 4 hour flip. Now, the 4 hour did eventually flip, exactly like our plan played out. However, we did exit a little bit earlier because there's nothing wrong with us securing that win. I was happy with the profit that we made and all that good stuff. But yeah, so that was the trade, targeting the 4 hour flip and the daily rejection off of this overall level, using the 30 minute as the entry criteria. And that was it. Played out absolutely perfectly. Waited all stream for that session, for that trade. Waited absolutely all stream for that trade, and it played out right at the end. So love to see it. Good patience and discipline. GG's. Right, I stopped recording now, chat. I stopped recording. I can go out of character, you know. Uh-oh, locking in character, incoming explanation mode. Yeah. Trust me. Serious SG character selected. Yeah, 100%. Nah, W's, chat. W's, big dubs. Hopefully the pip and dippers, actually managed to leave a like before they left. But all your OGs are still here. I appreciate that very, very much. Who was that? Yeah, different guy. This would have been a nice New York stream. Yeah. Trust me, but it is what it is, right? Nice trade, SG. I got in earlier than you when the support was respected and currently running 2% in profit. Nice analysis today, thanks. Yeah, GG's, good stuff. Well done. You took the analysis and then took the trade on your own. I like it. Let's go, guys. Yeah, let's go. Left 5% for shits and giggles. Yeah, I was thinking about that, but then I don't know. I'd already closed 50% and I was just thinking, why not, you know? My bad, I was muted. Yeah, no shoulda, coulda, wouldas. Exactly. Well, we were targeting that flip, right? So that was actually part of the plan. But when we started to push up and then hover a little bit, I thought, you know what? It is what it is, right? We'll take it. Oh, also, chat, I didn't even see that. I probably would have closed a little bit earlier. I'm not going to lie. The 5 minute no bottom wick. That's another reason why we would have closed there. So yeah, all good. No FOMO, chat. I would have closed there anyway, probably. G to the G's, chat. G to the G's. Good shit. Let's get some pixel letters and then some wins in the gym. W plan. Yeah, Nicola, you're right, my boy. You're right. Chat, I appreciate you all. Let's play some pixel letters and then we'll call it a day, yeah? We'll play some pixel letters and we'll call it at the end of the day. So, let's see. Let's hop in here. Pixel letters. Where is it? Where's our favorite game? Here it is. Here it is. Cool. We ready, chat? We ready to get locked in? Just in time for my trim as well. Yeah, literally, I was just thinking that. Just in time to get the trim. Absolutely perfect day. Wow. I'm smiling, chat. I'm smiling. Obviously, keep your emotions in check and everything, but it's good when it plays out. See you tomorrow, mate. Yeah, all good, man. All good. Now it's a party. Yeah, now it's a party. We're locked in. Beans. No beans today, chat. No beans today, apparently. %, on-stream win rate continues. Chat, give me some guesses in the chat. Come on. What do we have here? Lousy. What a guess. That's a crazy guess out of nowhere. I like it. I reckon we're looking at LOW here. That could be it, or LOH. It could be it. To be fair, it could be anything. I'm just chatting waffle here, guys. Nah, all good. 20 pip win on stream. 100% win rate continues. GG's. Cool. Post that story real quick for the clout. Clean. Can't be clean. Starts with LO. My boy. Chat, leave a like if you are gonna dip off already. Let's play these pixel letters though. We love this game. It's our favorite game. Let's lock in now. I'm fully locked in with you guys. Okay. We need to finish this quick though because I gotta go get my trim. I need to go get this trim. What do we have? Chat, you're not putting any guesses in. I need you. I need you guys' help. Low. I don't know what this word is. Oh, I've got an idea. Hang on. Let me take this overlay away so you can see the letters. There you go. W stream, W analysis, W trade. Appreciate it, my boy. Appreciate it. 26 pips. Let's go. Good shit. It can't be lower. It can't be lower. I was thinking about. What was I thinking about? I've just forgotten. What could it be? What could it be? Could be anything, chat. Could be anything. I'm a little bit stuck here. Has to be a W, I think. Or it could be an N or an M, actually. Loan. I've got no clue, chat. Come on. Let's clutch this up. Liner. It can't be liner. It's got LO at the start, my boy. Loyal. Oh. Guy Nicola comes in. Comes in with the clutch every time. Chat, look at this. This is more important than the trade. 100% win rate. 100% win rate. Let's get it. Yeah, on the pixel letters. Cool. Good shit, chat. We're going to play one more. Oh, we'll play two more. Fuck it. Why not? We'll play two more and then, yeah. We'll do that. But chat, what a trade as well on stream today. I'm very happy with how that went. Very, very happy. In before I get the you gotta let that run. You gotta let it run. Why don't you let it run? Nah, it's what it is. It's what it is. Good shit. Good shit. What are we thinking for this word then, chat? I don't know what the word is. Someone tell me, please. I don't know the word. Random guess. Cool. So we're looking at an M, and I think we're looking at an O. And then what are we looking at in the middle? T, T, nah. What do we have? Mofty? Not a word. Where's Nicola and Josh right now with the clutch up? That's what I need to know. Where are these guys? Mufti. It can't be Mufti. I was thinking that, but it can't be. I like your disclaimer before we took the trade, so no one can bash you if we lost the trade. Don should do the same before he takes his trade. WWW. Yeah, bro. Realistically, it's everyone's trade. You know. Hopefully you all got the dubs today. I'm very glad that you did. But if we did get an L, then you know, it's not my fault. I took the L too, so I'm getting fucked twice basically. But yeah, it's what it is. That's essentially why I give you that disclaimer type shit. Motto is the word. Well done, Nicola. Very, very clutch from you again, my boy. Final one. This is the difficult one, though. Chat, we can't lose this. This is a difficult one. Need to understand how it works first. So essentially in this one, like it's like Wordle if you've ever played it, but if there's a red dot, then there's no pixel from that letter in the game. So for example, let's say we have an L here. It can't be an L because there's a red dot here and a red dot here, and obviously their pixels here are in the L, so it can't be that. Tooth. Oh my god. Josh and Jar coming through. Clutch of the season. Nicola came late, but big dubs, guys. Big dubs. Cool, chat. Great stuff today. So we took another win on stream. That makes us 7-0. 8-0, actually, I think. 4 hour has flipped now, which is crazy. So, yeah. I mean, if you want to get more buys, wait till the 4 hour close or wait till the 1 hour close and take it off the rip. But, yeah. I don't know. We'll see. Good morning, good evening to each and every wonderful trader reading my comments. May you have an awesome trading day today. May you all swim in pips today. Creed, appreciate it. Thank you very much. Good stuff. Guys, we're going to call it here. I got to go and make my haircut. I'm going to be late already. But nice, you took a win. W, awesome. Congrats. Yeah, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, we did take a win. This trade will be forever remembered as the pre-haircut trade. Yeah, we've got the airport trade and the haircut trade. I like it. I like it. Big dubs. Cool, chat. Cool. Guys, as always, what a stream. We've been on stream for about 4 hours now, but what a stream. I do massively appreciate you guys very, very much. It was a great day. A lot of education first, and then the trade came later. So, yeah, first time here, took the win. Edson, good shit. I'm happy for you. Good stuff. Yeah, all the education came first, and then the win came later, which is the most important part, right? Subbed, good stuff. Yeah, chat, if you are new, make sure you subscribe. Join the Discord if you haven't already. Same time tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Other than that, guys, catch you in the next one. Peace out. Much love. Trade responsibly. See you all later. Bye-bye.